Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Hello?
Kingsley.
Wait, you change your name to Uber, man?
Big up now, man. Are you giving him?
Anytime you get a name, say you just work with it, Uber, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wagwan.
Anyway, you know what I say? Till them I drive.
Yeah.
I'm come across 3 questions to ask you.
Yeah. Send on.
All right. The first one, Zane.
Yeah.
I when you're a big man or I when you're a little boy, you get that name there. Kingsley.
Kingsley?
Yeah.
Nah, man, I'm a go for name that, man. I'm a mother give me that name, man.
I when you're a little boy.
Yeah, when my born.
Then why your mother give a big man named Alco boy?
Me not understand your question.
Listen, man. The name what you have is a big man name, you know, and you get that name when you're a little boy.
You know, it make no sense. You're going like say people generally get certain name when them a big man different from when them a baby.
Yeah, man. Kingsley.
Nah, man, Kingsley is a remember in Jamaica is a post-colonial society. What was a colonial society and is now a post-colonial society with unfortunately a British legacy. So British names are very common in our country, and Kingsley is actually a fairly common British name. It's not like Smith or William or whatever, but it's still fairly common in British circles, you know?
Okay, moving forward. Next question.
Yeah.
In spite all you have been through in your life,
yeah,
like me listen to your story from way back when you get locked up in a jail for how much time?
Several times, yeah.
Them dash you in a car trunk one time. Them ridicule you. Them fight you from the radio station.
Yeah.
And you still come on top, right?
Yeah.
The question is, when did you realize that you're a skittle?
When did I realize that I'm a skittle? Well,
yeah, listen.
Well, I know. No, let me answer your question.
Go on.
One, I have never considered myself a skittle.
Yo, what?
Hold on.
Go on.
Even though at times I have facetiously referred to myself as a skittle, as a tongue-in-cheek type of critique, and my comfort with ridiculing myself. I have no problem. I done myself and thing. In fact, one time at Jamaica, I did have this topic for the week was call in and done yourself, and people for call in and done themselves, you know, and things. So I have no problem doing it, but me I not skittle, but you know, I'm saying, like we sarcastically, like in an argument, you say, no, because me are the idiot.
Yeah,
because you know, but I have referred to myself like that facetiously.
Yeah, you know, say, me I run a trip today and me I watch a video on YouTube. And
well, you have to be careful how you drive and I watch Ragashanti show him, you know. Okay, all right, go on.
Me small off the screen, man, so the passenger them not see it.
But be careful, yes. Okay.
Yeah. And me I listen to it. And me I say, me I wonder if Raga ever really go back and watch a video them when I post. And me I said to myself, say, what? Yo, I want a real skittle. Yo, me say them want a cocky his. And I listen when they mix up sweet. Me I say, yo, watch him. Look where my cocky is. Me say, yo,
no. That type of behavior, based on what we call skittle, even though them young people are not too use that word anymore.
Yeah.
But what we call skittle and what you are referred to, skittle is more along the, you know what Americans call like chicken head or them something there? That you confuse skittle, you know. Remember, you know, skittle is kind of like it's more like keyless rare.
Mix up.
No. You can't be mix up and not skittle.
Oh, okay.
You can be a mix-up person, but not. Skittle is like how you let me see if somebody Skittle is like and them girl can't this, so there are times when I engage in that type of thing, like, just for craziness and whatever. And in Jamaican culture, it's not considered masculine. It's more along see Tatiana said brawling. That is more vulgarity. See the loose, loud. Yes, those are, you see them terms that them I use?
Okay, yeah.
That, you see, what you didn't put Lego beast. That is an old school term, but Lego beast and Skittle are actually synonymous. Those are the right terms the people are using. The vulgarity, loose, loud, Lego beast, big girl type or something. That is Skittle. But you can't be mixed up on Skittle.
Oh, okay. All right, moving forward. Last question. Yeah. People are calling.
Yeah.
Hey, Raga, you have no problem with people who nyam front?
If I have a problem with people who what?
Nyam front.
No, you do. People do what they want to do. Whatever makes your boat float. If you ask me if me burn out them people who do it, no.
Okay.
Whatever makes your boat float in your private space, whatever your pleasure is,
All of my friends them nyam front,
All of your friends them do it?
Yeah, man. Then nyam front. Me no power with nobody if no nyam front.
You not juggle with nobody if them not do it?
No, sir.
So that is kind of like a requirement. If somebody are going to be friend with you, them for do that something there too, don't?
Yeah, cause you saw when me I go all the yard and something, and a man beg me have to buy him all a drink. Me ask him if he nyam front, And if he tell me say no, me can't buy my drink, Cause me nah nyam no front and buy no man no drink,
So if a man ask if you buy him a liquor and thing or whatever, you ask him, say, you do that?
Yeah, man, me say you know.
And if him say no, you not buy him no liquor.
No, cause me can't.
You know we some money for nobody who no do that, right?
No, cause me say me a collect, man. Me can't use my name front money buy your liquor.
Well, you made that point before that if you are sort out woman and I give them pleasure, them supposed to can spend a money upon you too. So you are say you can work and do that and thing and collect, and then perhaps using up your oral cavity in order to administer pleasure to the ladies before you can collect and thing like that. And you basically I say you can do that and then I go take the money there and give somebody who are burn it out.
Exactly.
Well, I can see where your principle there has a logic to it and thing. Right.
Yeah, and all I man them, I just want to tell them, say, yo, when you not eat responsible.
What do you mean?
They can't just go and eat. You have to eat responsible, man.
No, but what is responsible eating? Give us two rules that you can say these two rules will demonstrate that you're eating responsibly.
All right. First of all, before you start eating, you and the client have to go do a medical checkup.
Okay.
That's number one. That's number one key.
Do you think that most people do that, or that is hardly done?
That's why I'm saying eat responsible.
Oh. Okay.
You don't think so?
No, I'm listening to you. So give me our next rule now. Yeah.
You finna nyami.
What?
You finna nyami.
Don't nyami.
Yeah.
Okay. Meaning, break down that for people who don't really understand Jamaican.
Then I'm also Jamaican and watching it.
I know, but believe me, I have a lot of silent listeners, silent watchers who them write me all the while. Trust me, them write me all the while, and they're not Jamaicans.
Oh, it simply means that you can't just grow and eat.
Right.
Like you're hungry.
Yeah, you can't just nyam everywhere. Nyam exactly. Mean nyam all
and every restaurant good for eat out now.
Right, okay. Okay, all right. So that's two rules there from a gentleman,
Yeah, man.
Right.
Responsible, man.
Don't nyam all about, don't be nyami, and conduct the appropriate checks before you start nyam.
Exactly.
Okay, all right. But it sounds like you take this thing serious, man.
Eat responsible.
Yeah, you sound like you take it serious.
Of course.
Do you have a technique that when you do? I don't explain it. I'm just saying, do you have like a technique or whatever?
Yeah, man.
Okay, all right. Have you ever gotten like a bad review?
You know, sir, to be honest with you, Raga, the 5 what me deal with already. Them asked me for a long time, I do it.
Hold on. So you're saying since you have been doing it, it's only 5 women have been the recipient of your
5 clients.
of your oral expertise. Okay, only 5.
Yes.
Okay, and of the 5, they have all been really good. You're saying the reviews, your feedback,
yes.
the assessment of your performance has been
top draw.
Top draw. Okay, good. I am curious though. Where did you learn?
So, you know me a yard man.
Yeah.
When I come here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, them a talk about it. I mean, I say, yo, after forbidden fruit that.
So at first you were like, no, forbidden fruit, you're not do it, right?
Yeah, we not do it. So,
and then?
Them always a bother me. I say, yo, you do that last night? And I said, no. So, I got curious.
Mm-hmm.
So, I got this pretty nurse, red bone.
You got a red bone pretty nurse?
Yes.
Okay.
I only deal with nurses.
You what?
I only deal with nurses.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so I said to her, like, I've never done that. And, I'm attracted to you and I see how you keep yourself and all that. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And she said, yeah. I said, can you let me try you? And she said, yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
And then we planned it one day. I'm going to go over there, over our house.
Hold on. You guys plan to have an eating meeting?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mm-hmm.
As I tell her, I've never tried it before.
Right.
So, and I tell her that when I analyze all the women which I've been dealing with, she's the one who comes out on top.
Right. It's part of the reason is because she was a browning, right? That's what you're saying.
Red bone, not a browning.
Yeah, red bone. So you prefer to eat, red bone as a food. Okay, go on.
In the red bone, she have to be in the nursing field. I tell her I like nurse, man.
Okay, all right then. And then, so you're telling me that even from the first time you do it, the feedback was that you were pretty good at it.
No, because when I tried it, I started doing it, and then she said to me, "Is it first? Is it first you're doing it? You sure?" I say, "Yeah." She said, "So this time I'm doing it." She said, "Can you go back to that first session?"
Can you what? What she said? What?
Go back to the first session. You don't understand?
What do you mean? Like after you're doing it for a while, she said, do it like how you did it the first time?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Meaning the first session was really good.
Top draw.
No, but how did you know how to do it? Was it just instinctive or you did watch local blues and
no, man, I asked a lot of questions and watching a lot of porns.
Okay, and that is how you learn.
The worker tell me that I should concentrate on the you know what I'm talking about.
Concentrate on that.
On the C.
Right. That's what who told you that? Who told you that?
A friend of mine, man.
A friend of mine, constant.
Yeah, he's a married
man. That you must concentrate. But is it that you must just stay on that right throughout?
No.
What weird? How if you don't stay on it right throughout, how you relate to that, to the C?
What you mean?
No, if you're saying, because I ask you, does that mean your friend say you must concentrate on it? So I'm asking you, is concentrating on it mean you stay upon it right throughout? Or you say no. So I'm just asking you, like, okay.
No, you have to mix it up.
What do you mean by that?
You have to swallow up everything in your mouth and spit it out.
No, hold on. I can't. Yeah, I must admit you kind of lost me there, you know.
What you mean, Raga?
I am a little bit confused. What given that particular activity that we're talking about, I am somewhat confused as to what swallow up and spit out mean. I'm not sure what you mean by that. You know?
So, Raga, you never eat a refrigerator and you grab up everything in your mouth.
No.
But you know,
No. I'm asking you, like, just help if you understand. Tell me what that mean. What you mean?
You have to use the whole mouth. When I concentrate on the seed, you have to mix it up and then you just open your mouth wide and cover it.
Oh, that sounds like and what?
You know when I use plunger in a toilet, man?
Given what we're talking about, that's probably not an image you want to use to make your point. So I'm going to suggest you use a different metaphor, right? Don't use a toilet plunger. No, this is not the time to use. No. All right. Use a different image. Use sweet sap or something else. We don't know. Use something else. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, so you don't the guy told me.
Yeah.
This guy's asked him another question because he's a married man.
Yes.
And he said, yo, you need to use your 2 fingers. And when I don't know if I can get
no, we don't want to go into those details, but
you should right and concentrate on the seed. But he said you have to mix it up. You have to use your own techniques. My technique was to swallow it, like you have to use your lip to like munch it.
You have to use your lip to munch. You have to use your lip to munch it.
Yeah, because you can't use a teeth. Remember, you can't use teeth on you.
No, but what I think, when you were saying swallowing, it sounds to me that you're really saying cover it.
Exactly.
Well, cover it is a little different from swallowing it, But I think what you mean is cover it,
Yeah, and stretch funny, you know what I mean? Like
what stretch? What?
You have to stretch funny too.
Really?
I mean? Yeah, man. Sometimes do the whole item. You have to do one side of the jaw.
One side of the jaw?
Yeah, the pony jaw.
It's a juju, yeah.
Juju jaw.
One side, and what you do, like you stretch one side?
Yeah, you just have it there go and tickly fancy, you know what I mean?
So is that like a good technique to do stretch one side?
It's creative, man. You can't do every regular like whatever man I do reggae.
Oh, so when after you stretch one side, you stretch the other side too?
Oh, you mean? You can't. Don't tell you have to have your own technique. Because every man I do the same thing, every man I do the same thing. Woman get tired of them something, brother. You never know.
But now I'm listening to you. Remember, it's you educating us here.
Chat, right?
No, you are educating us here, so we have to go with you as the expert now, Okay.
Yeah, man, tell you, brother. You have to mix it up, brother.
So you mix it up. So you cover it up more time and then you mix it up and you stretch one side of the jaw, you stretch one jaw and then you stretch the other jaw. Anything else like you mix it up with?
Yeah, like he's a man, me love fruits. So he's a man very creative. So like say grape, strawberry.
Grape, strawberry, and what else?
Slice up banana.
Grape, strawberry, and banana.
Slice up banana, you slice it up, pineapple, and then you decorate it like a food platter.
So grape, strawberry, banana, and pineapple.
Banana.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you get
you decorate it like a fruit salad.
No, fruit platter.
Platter, right.
And then you use syrup or whatever thing you want to use on it.
Did you just say syrup?
Oh, you mean? Strawberry.
Well, syrup? Then that now go to Clyden.
Oh, you mean to Clyden?
Sorry, excuse my ignorance here. But the syrup now go too sweet or something, I don't understand. But what you put? All right, I'm going to ask you a careful question. the syrup go on top or it go in? You don't know details. I just want to know.
On top of the fruit, brethren.
Oh, the syrup go on top of the fruit salad.
Yeah. You know, like when you buy some fruits, man, and you know, all right, so you buy like a salad.
Right. And you put on the salad dressing.
All right.
Okay.
So me do that.
Okay, all right then. So the same.
As me tell you, say, you have to outsmart these people, version.
So you say grape, strawberry, banana, and pineapple. Those are the only fruits you use?
Yes.
Okay. Grape, strawberry, pineapple. Craigton, I hope you're listening, because, you probably can. Machiavelli and them people that are looking at the chat, you're getting lessons here for improve
yeah, you can't just go normal. So
right, I get lessons for improve on the head game, and all these things are open to listen and thing and whatever for those of you who, these things going to be important. Yes.
Did you know that woman like excitement? Woman just tired of the same normal stuff. You have to be creative with women.
Right. It sounds to me like you're saying women do not like monotonous the same way. Women like variety. They're like, yes, okay.
Variety of stuff. You surprise them.
You surprise them and things. So with that now, what you do? You put the fruits on top or you put them in?
On top.
So it's always on top. The fruits never go in.
And make sure whenever you're doing that, you have to have a lot of time.
You have to have a whole heap of time.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's not a rush thing.
It's not a rush thing. It's not a rush thing.
It's not. When it comes down to that.
Yes. Because this is like art. This is like art. You have to take your time and do the thing properly.
And make sure you have a fork also.
What you gonna need fork for?
What you mean?
What you gonna need fork for?
If you're sitting around the table, you don't use fork.
I don't know. I mean, I might be the ignorant here because this sounds like an activity that you would not need a fork to do this. I don't know.
It's a creativity.
The creativity.
Yeah.
So you're saying you do some creative things with the fork?
Yeah. After you use the fork to eat up all the fruits, then you just lick out the plate.
Yes, people have been known to do that after having a good meal and then finish eating the meal, them lick out the plate. That has been a common practice amongst people all over the world. Once they had a wonderful meal and them done, them lick out the plate after that.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is true. So you're saying with this particular activity, when you're done eat, it's generally a good idea if you lick out the plate and things.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, it sounds like, so you have any goal to improve your numbers from 5?
It has to be a nurse.
It has to.
And at this stage right now, paying real good.
It paying real good?
Yeah, the 5 clients.
So what you say, you get paid if you do that right now?
First of all, I'm going to say, eat responsible. Don't go around and yummy.
I know, we cover that. But what I'm saying, just to be clear, right now, you get paid to eat.
Of course.
So your mouth is of significant value to you right now when it comes to income, your mouth, right?
Raga, why do you think you call the show big? I think I call for you joke.
Right.
No, man.
Okay.
I fox, man.
Just out of curiosity, like, suppose you're being initially retained, for an oral consultation, and what's your initial fee in general, on average,
If it's a nurse.
If it's a nurse, what?
Remember, I only deal with nurses.
Right. But what's your initial fee, like in general, your average fee, like your starting fee, like?
For like an hour or so, like which is normally take more than an hour.
Like about an hour. Well,
more than an hour.
When you're having an eating meeting, it can take more than an hour.
Yes.
All right, so for more than an hour initial first price, like about how much that?
350, 400.
350, 400 be for the first initial. You have a valuable mouth there, man. A valuable tongue there, right?
Yeah, man.
Okay. What if you're good and thing like that, and you have to know your value, and you know
Everything
your
has a price now, you know that.
Yes, everything has a price. I see some Sanya small, and those people they would probably pay that money because if you're good, you're good. Who else me see this, Jamaica Empress. I see people just I call some random name from the chat who I think me Princess Maria. Some people there. Kimberly is there. Those people may. Then me Queen Angel Sandy Solid Anderson, that's a friend of mine, my good friend that for a long time now.
And a serious thing. Something like that thing you do. Like the thing that like when them do that.
You don't like getting ahead us?
No, sir, no.
You don't like getting ahead us?
No, sir, that not do nothing for me.
What if some woman listening to you right now and saying, you can't say that? Hold on, because I get a good one.
I was just about to say that.
Yeah.
And I've been getting that ever since I was in Jamaica working in hotels and all that. And you want to tell me so I can't come across one good one yet?
And from all them time that you get it, you never get one yet. Where you can't say, I know that one I changed my mind, I want it. No, you never get one.
No, Raga. My thing always go soft, brother.
Once them start do that, the boy go down.
Yeah.
Oh my days.
May I tell you straight?
No, but why is that? Why that not do no? No, I mean I listen to you now. You sound like you're serious,
No, brother. Me love salt out, man.
No, so somebody said, brother, I know a man say too sensitive and him not like it. So there are men out there who don't like it.
It just not do nothing for me, brother.
It just not do nothing for you?
Not at all. And every time I mention it, they must actually you never get it from the right somebody yet. I say, yo, for me there Jamaica, I get them things there. And them things that excite me. Me as a man, I like salt out, straight.
So you like to go down and you like sort out, but you don't like to get a headers.
Yes.
Yeah, you have women out there would be like, wow, I would love a man. No, we have two things. From what I have read and my understanding of different demographics out there in society and the sort, you have some women, they get pleasure from doing that. They just enjoy doing it. And it have to be with somebody who them like that or who them connect with like that. But you have some women, for them, intimacy is, no, I have to do that because them love it. But you have a next set of women who just do it because the man want it. Yeah. And them said them want to please the man. So it don't really do nothing for them. And them game can be really good too, because they're focused on pleasing the man.
Yeah.
But, you have, and in that cohort is a set of women who are listening, right, and I said, Jesus, God, me can't find a man like that. Yeah, because if it's up to them will not do it, and worse if the man no want to do it, not a problem, but him love do it to them. Yes, man, you have some woman and listen. I want to tell you, you have some woman and listen right now and say, so me need for DM the man and see what he's really about, based on the thought that way him just make. You may have just won yourself a few more clients, based on what you just explained.
You know a thing women I like with me brethren them too.
Yeah.
Them no shave. And every minute them I say, yo, my girl for give me heads and girl have to give me heads. And them man no shave. Man for shave, man.
Well, again, that depends, because there's women out there who into this beard thing. But in general, though, women have been increasingly, and ladies, let me just be clear. Let me make sure so you and the brethren are on the same page with respect to the shaving thing. When you say shave, you mean down, up and down?
Yeah, man, men. I'm talking about men. Like, you have some men who's very disrespectful to women. Like, that girl have to give him head and all that. And then when we look at them, I say, yo, you don't even shave your front, yo.
But oh, you know, say him no shave. Oh, you know them no shave them. First of all, be careful though. Remember, we are Jamaicans. You're a Jamaican, I'm a Jamaican, and we don't really refer to man thing as front, yeah? So, but when I say, if the man them not shave, oh, you know.
How me know?
Yeah.
So the man them not shave.
Yeah.
Then from you see how some of them look. From you see how some of them look, brother, you can definitely know so them man them not shave.
So you can look at a man and know if him not shaved.
And you can't do it. You want to tell me you can't do it?
No, I cannot. I absolutely cannot.
Ask anybody in that chat right now. From they look at a man, they know say a man not shave.
You mean the people them say them can look on a man and know if him shaved down
the
there?
woman them in that chat now, Raga, man.
Alright, but what? But alright, hold on. But basically, you're saying then that men need to shave them genital area for because of that around the place right now, and the women appreciate.
If they go to pressure the woman them, so yo, them need that thing there.
Yeah.
Make sure them thing in a good condition.
Well, no, you know, to your point though, a lot of women have been saying that. You see, just as though it's in now for men to appreciate women who shave, a lot of women have been saying, men, come on, y'all need to shave, you know, that area. And apparently it's very often viewed as a very unmasculine behavior by a lot of men to think say you shave down there so, and it's only woman supposed to do it. But a lot of women have been saying that men need to shave down there because a hygiene thing, smell better and all these things and whatever. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, listen to me. You have shared quite a lot here with us here today, you know, and, you know, as usual, some of it most intriguing and somewhat controversial at some points and thing. And who knows, maybe we have a couple callers who have a little thing to say about different points that you have
Big
made.
skin broad back.
That's right, sir. All right, my general. Big up yourself. Here, sir.
Big up, Shanti.
All right, cool. All right, jeez and peace. People don't know me nearly do. You know, so me nearly accidentally stopped the life. I would have just dead because when it don't cost me. People, the goal of social media is to keep their users engaged. They want to keep you on it. So them do all these things, you know, send a this, send a pork, send a that, you know, whatever, bam, 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 bam. And the main way they keep you engaged is to figure out for each person. Remember, they have millions, you know, and in the case of like Facebook, they have billions. But the main way they go about this is to figure out who is most likely to want to watch this person. I big up the person who just did that gifting them, right? And they have computer programs, they call algorithms. And basically they figure that, oh, this person is from this era, so this person would follow this person, or this person is Seventh-day Adventist, so this person will follow that person, or this person like Vibes Cartel, so this person like, but so them they have the way that the computer program do these things. Now I don't know that. I don't know how that is done. I just know what is done, but I don't know how to do the programming and whatever. But whatever that program is, TikTok have it locked. TikTok have it locked, like far superior to YouTube's algorithm, to Facebook algorithm, to Twitch algorithm and whatever. TikTok have something in it program, in it, you know, it algorithm where we just know how to find people who are gonna like that person there, you know, I want to watch with that person there, say, or whatever. TikTok is just, you know, and it does it for pretty much everybody because it's just a computer program and it applies to anybody who's on the platform. And because when we come over here, whatever, how TikTok find people who know, me there about long time, so. Remember I say, me there on YouTube all these years, and there are these thousands and thousands of people over here who never know me there over YouTube all these years. I do my little thing or whatever. But somehow TikTok just find them. It's crazy. The way TikTok just does that, like, just really remarkable. Tonight, jacket mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. That's how it tonight. Jacket mix-up or any other mix-up. And I appreciate the people who call, who come in and say, yo, Raga, big up, me just a link for big you up and thing. Me appreciate that. But me gonna ask, yeah, we give thanks for that. But make we see if we can get the people who are gonna give a mix up, for coming, all right? Again, I'm not being rude, right? And I'm not rejecting your endorsements and your gratitude and your kind words. I'm very thankful for them. But again, if you if you just just ask you if it's just a big up you want gear, you want to say yeah, listen me for a long time and whatever, I'm gonna ask for all off on that and make we see if we can get the people who have some mix up for give away, right? And things. So make sure you follow me and also like the live. Just tap the screen, make the art come up, and then on a link and give it a mix up. Also, check your phones to make sure you didn't send me a request by accident so that I don't have to bring you in and wait, all right? Check your phone to make sure you did not send me a request to come in by accident. So you never accidentally do it, all right? Check your phone. All right, here we go.
Raga, good evening. What's up?
What go on?
I don't have no mix up, so big up nice clean self. You see me sit down in my yard one of them house back. Yeah, I go and listen to you. You see me?
All right. All right.
Along I listen, Raga, me a lot of time from radio. Me a listen. I know much like this.
All right. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, man. I see a word, man. All right.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. All right. Jacket mix up or any other mix up wanna have. Jacket mix up or any other mix up wanna have. All right. We're bringing somebody else. All right. We want people who are coming with mix up now. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Raga?
Yeah. I think you're on speakerphone, Bluetooth, or earpiece. Could you come off it, please?
Okay. Raga?
Yeah, man. What go on? Yeah, man. Much better.
All right, so I have a little mix-up figure.
Yeah.
I did get introduced to this man by a friend of mine.
Yeah.
But she said to me, say, I'm not sure if you're going to go with him, because him a big belly.
Right.
Yeah, the only thing would have turn you off, but he's a nice man.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Raga. The man come from overseas. So I date him over the phone and everything, and him send him money, come and collect him money and me use the money.
Good money him send to. Good money him send to.
Yes, money, send good money, man.
All
Send
right.
good money.
All right. Yeah.
Go on, secure. Man, come to Jamaica. And start date the July.
Yeah.
I said, boy, I have to buy the ticket. Come down.
Him have to what?
Buy the ticket, come down.
Right.
December come, and him come for choo.
Mm-hmm.
So I say, all right then. Go look away if me not go link him.
Yeah.
I say, all right then. I take Brave back and go link him.
Yeah.
All right then. We go at the house. I pack out everything there for me. So all this.
Well, you go a female house. He's Jamaican?
No, I'm manager me.
He manager foreign government, but so he pack out things where he bring for you.
Yeah, man, I'm having ends out here.
Oh, he having, okay, cool.
Set up bumps now, go up on the ends and give me a whole heap of something, fear this and but me have a look at second thoughts now, cause me I say me no love when my move so close up to me, but me go on, you know, say when you go a man cabin, you know, say you not a chance now you have to go comply.
Well, you have a choice, but yes, if you go there, you might go pre that, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Right then. Didn't know one day the ending out stop. Man, take time I get into business.
No, hold on. Your voice I get back muffled, you know. I don't know where you talk directly in iPhone here.
Okay.
Yes.
Right,
you see where you're there? Right there, so don't move, yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, so the light turn off now and everything. Man draw close up to me and say, come man, come lie down side of your man. Me I say, me man, but none other choice, so me go lie down side of your man.
Yeah.
But me I say, all right, then like, me can chance it, because then say big belly man not have nothing.
Right.
All right then. Set up bombs now, we didn't know and Uncle get down to business and Uncle put on the whipping for me. Mr. Raga, me traumatized up until today.
You traumatized up until today after I put it on you? Why?
Snake set into Rockilla.
I want what? One Rockilla, one Anaconda.
Yes, Raga. Yes. Me say all the jacuzzi glass nearly get kicked out.
All the jacuzzi glass nearly get kicked out.
Me say the jacuzzi glass nearly get kicked out. Me say me now let me traumatized.
But why you traumatized? What the size or him did I do?
The size and the length and everything.
Jesus.
Emotion.
And he know and him a go on with himself with it too, though.
Yes, man, on the one thing man he nah swipe.
He nah swipe.
And bring them thing there to him.
Okay, then tell me something about, to the best of your knowledge, about how long it was, you'd say.
Boy, last about one good 20 minutes.
No, 20 minutes, but that's something there. About how long it was him something, you'd say.
Boy, look like about one good 9.
About a good 9 inches.
Yes, man.
Okay, and then in terms of girth now and thickness, what you'd say?
Yeah, man, it thick, man.
I want thick as.
Yes, man.
So why you say it traumatized you? Because it's so, because me I listen to you and I make an assumption about you, you sound like.
Because me I go with the intention say big belly man don't have nothing, because of that me always hear while growing up.
Oh, so in your mind, yeah, my word one little sitting and little tickler. Yes, man, and thing or whatever, but what you say, the Dan he was packing.
Yeah, man, him done it up, man.
Yeah, so then tell me, when the pressure is upon you, what you do? You ball out or what? Or you
yes,
hold it? You hold it like a G, don't you?
No, man, we couldn't hold that one day like a G, man.
What you mean? Pressure, what you mean? What you do? You ball and
nice, man.
You make nice?
You make nice, man. Yes, man.
So when you make nice and all these things and what, him did ease up and give a blind?
No, man, not ease up, man.
When you ball it sweet him just send it upon you see him and send it up.
Yes, Raga.
Jesus and peace.
Him never behave well, man.
Him never behave well and thing. No. Jesus, God. He look like he walk out every little thing, all like money when he send give and he gift them when
You know, he go on until 5 years down the line, him end up being my husband, you know.
What you say? He go on till 5 years on the line, he end up be your husband, no?
Yes, man, and he might track the same way. And he might another mix-up figure, but it's for another night. Me I go tell you about the wedding night.
All right,
but
then.
But that is for another time.
Another time, all right.
Yes, man.
Then what, that me you get used to it and you can man. So tell me something now. After 5 years of marriage and all these things, when you work, you can deal with it bilious now, don't it? You can.
Yeah, man, me take time and manage, man.
You take that, all right. Big up yourself
Yes,
here, and congratulations.
Big up yourself, Raga.
But congratulations from the wedding with the big belly tickers.
Respect our manners. Respect our manners.
All right, then cool. Yeah. That was funny. I never saw that coming. So then when I end up married, yeah, my girl was going to work with it, until he reached a point where she said, yeah, man are nice to me. I mind me and I take care of me. And him stay so. And him turn so. No, nah. She said she have a married that something there. Yeah. Seal up that thing they don't. I never saw that coming though. It's just okay. If you're watching and you're not following me, follow me now, please. If you're watching live and you're not following me, follow me right now. Just follow me right now. Hello.
Raga, good evening. Me need to realize that me end up here, so Jesus.
You
I
never
tap the screen,
But you
and I
see
skin my teeth.
Then you might tell me something for check for see if you send me request, man. Do everybody.
It very sweet me that last part coming never expect that part there.
What you say? It make you sweet when you say 5 years later we end up married,
Miss me not to realize that I'm gone in a box and the whole thing.
Right up in
me
that box.
I laugh a good dead laugh I work me there no.
I work in it. Let's say a word, man. Which part I work? Jamaica, you there? You there at Jamaica?
No, I'm overseas.
Overseas. All right. Big up yourself here. Safety and blessings, man. Cool.
All right, Raga. One next time when me not there work, I come give you a tour.
It got some, man. All right. Safety and protection. Here, boo-boo? Cool.
Yeah, big up.
Yeah, man. Cool.
All right.
No, that marriage there. Yeah, good to seal up that one there and thing with the big boss. You see it. All right, people, check your phones and make sure you didn't send me a request. If you accidentally sent me a request, I'm going to ask you to just take it off right now. Just take it off. Give you time to take it off. Also, if you are watching live and you're not follow me now, okay? If you are watching live and you're not follow me, it's always redundant to say if you are watching live. If you're talking to people, they gotta be watching them. Why do I want to say that? Okay, follow me now if you're not follow me yet. Follow me now if you're not follow me yet. Okay? Follow me now if you're not follow me yet. Okay. Greetings.
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you too. Wagwan.
There. So, Mr. Raga,
Yeah.
I have a mix-up for you.
Send on.
All right. So, maybe I go college, right?
Yeah.
I meet this man.
Mm-hmm.
So, when they start talking to him, ugly in a Raga. Ugly.
When you start talking to him did ugly?
Ugly. When we meet the man, ugly.
Okay.
Right? He work in electrician.
He work where?
He's an electrician, right?
He's an electrician, and he was an ugly electrician.
An ugly man.
Okay.
When ugly, me want him cousin him nickname the man and call him Lickle and Sour.
What, the way I'm ugly, you and your cousin, what the nickname on the game, what?
Lickle and Sour.
Lickle and Sour.
Yes, because
Oh,
the man
God. That mean him did stay bad then, man.
He said, man, they look good, Raga, but the money.
The money.
All right. So now, start take this man things,
Mm-hmm.
Every minute the man asking about, pum pum.
What him say what?
Every time I ask him about the pum pum.
I'm ask about the pum-pum, okay.
Yes, me I give him excuse all the time.
Excuse, because the money never ugly.
Because the money never ugly.
Him did ugly, but the money never ugly.
And we say, Raga, that either. At the same time, he did have a baby mother in my class at college.
Oh.
Yes, he did have a baby mother in my class.
So you know about the baby mother the whole time when you are taking him? No, you never take him, but you are taking money.
Never know at first.
Right.
All right. So me not go on. Me dey pan college, me call this man, say, I want KFC, I want this one, everything I want, the man bring it.
Mm-hmm.
The thing about it in Reggae at the same time, you know, me that talk to somebody from campus.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So when the man bringing KFC and big food and something, and me, man, and then name it, you know.
When him bring the
Alright.
KFC, are you, your man and your friend, and Nyami KFC where him bring?
Yes. So
Okay. Yeah.
Alright. After a while, now this man, I say, like, if me not do something now, me now get the money when I get, I'm gonna get big money. Them time they are 2011 going 2012.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And me I get all my 20,000, my 30,000 something from the man, you know.
No, man, if you're in a college in a 2011, 2012, and you get your regular 20 pack and your 30 pack, a decent, yeah, man, a decent food that you pick up.
May I tell you?
Yeah, that the money never ugly. A good looking money that. A money that pretty.
Exactly.
A money that pretty.
Alright.
A money that
So,
pretty.
like,
A money that cute.
cute.
Yeah.
So, when you know them a keep party and take on campus, so they say, I want to do me here and buy clothes and things. So I tell the man, say, bring a money, come give me, because you know, I want to the party over the man, bring the money.
Yeah.
Raga, this night, when the man come with the money,
Mm-hmm.
the man decide, say, you want a pump pump if you want to get the money, you know.
What him decide, say him not get the money and him not get the pum pum.
Yes, because me I tell us a month, no, me I take this man money and the content of the man.
Yeah, and I post him. Be a card, yeah, game. Yeah.
So no Raga, me did it, all right. So we used to have PE, where we go down some step and go down one other part of the campus, so we have PE.
Yeah.
So me carry him down this so,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
When me carry him down this, so now, he said, no, say, all right, we go give him something. I can know me, say, yes.
Mm-hmm.
He said, all right. When me take off my clothes, Raga, the man start eating the pum pum. Right?
Yeah, him start swipe you. Say swipe you. Say
But
him
me say swipe, I mean, Raga swipe, I mean, me never squirt it, Raga, me a squirt and all, so that's it.
well, on when the man start swipe you down there, so where you carry me spot to not PP don't look at PE. Him start swipe you, and the way him swipe you good, you start squirt.
Me say me a squirt, me like a tremble after that's it.
So well on, him bad for the swiping then.
It's bad like a yes.
Jeez. Go on.
And me say, Raga, when the man then eat, me say this side say me nah, but I do no fuck.
No, listen, man. Well on, you have to control your thing. Remember, so when I use those words over here.
All right.
You say you're not giving a sort out. You know, don't use the F word here. Yeah, go on.
So me say me nah give no sort out. I know me come now, me feel good. And me no like
after you pop off on them something and him deal with you good. You say, me nah run it pan him after this. No.
Me say me nah bother give nothing.
Yeah.
Anyways, it seems like say the eating was enough because you know the money never bother want no say.
Yeah.
All right.
The
money I make along and everything. Look at this continuous. Remember one night, right? The man left from us because he lived like about an hour drive from me.
Yeah.
And the man left and the man come by me, Raga.
Yeah.
In a night.
Yeah.
And he up by me till after 1 after 2.
Yeah.
Me have the man open the veranda, sitting on the man a bring me to go game little bit messy.
Well, you have the man out by your veranda, do I?
Up on my veranda, sitting all after 2. A man a beg me, I said no. All right?
Yeah.
Right there upon the veranda and swipe again.
I saw be a swipe, you must swipe them time, yeah?
Be a swipe, you must swipe. Be a swipe, me not give him none.
Nah, give him.
And him don't swipe on the veranda, they say no, me say me a go in.
Mm-hmm.
He said, so what am I going to do? He said, go on home. He said, but when I get bus from me at 2 o'clock in the morning, you know the bus now run. He said, well, me a going because I want to sleep. And me going and me lock the door on the veranda, Raga. Me tell me so bad, but what me to do? Me don't like this man every time about me this.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? All right. All of that one, Raga, for me, Raga.
Well, that one for a year or had?
Year and had, Raga.
That the time the money still pretty.
Money still pretty.
Wait the 1 second.
Right.
Listen, 1,900 other on there. All who follow me if you're not follow me. Follow me now, please, if you're not follow me. If you watch it, follow me right now. Okay, so the money still cute them time there. The money still have dimples and pretty smile and they sitting there them time. Yeah.
Yes, Raga. All right, when we go in, And then morning, me know all this man reach home, me don't know if he sleep or me don't know what me morning. Wake up, my auntie said, okay.
Talking iPhone.
When we wake up in morning,
Yeah.
my auntie say, you know, say it's a wicked girl.
Yeah.
I make her wait, what make you say so? And she say, imagine you make this man left from me last night. After 2 or 3, you make the man out there. And you don't know if this man have no to sleep or nothing. You have to do them something there.
Yeah.
But Ragas making him know this man.
Right.
Alright. Anyways, you find him out and got some people close by, go sleep in the morning. Couple months past, Ragas and me left Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
So now when me left Jamaica now, Ragas me start build a house.
Mm-hmm.
So when we start building house now, right? You know my electrician.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say no, you have him there now, he can do electrician work on the house with me.
Yeah.
When me tell my mother say he find out from him how much wire and them something they place I want.
Mm-hmm.
When me tell my mother like it, I said my mother say everything to do the house and everything, I go come to about 140,000.
Yeah.
Right? That I forget the wire, the pipe, and everything.
Yeah.
Alright, Raga me send the money for my mother give me money to buy this something.
Yeah.
Raga 1 month pass, the man no buy nothing. Raga 2 months pass, the mother can't see the man.
Uh-huh.
Raga 3 months pass, they can't see the man, the mother can't see the man.
Mm-hmm.
They are calling phone, the man not answer me Raga. Me send him dirty message, me find him on Facebook, Raga me curse the doors or something, the man not pay me nothing. Raga me end up God Jamaica.
Uh-huh.
When me got Jamaica, me look feel me just find him, me spot me know that they need to work out. Laugh. Raga me out this man, like the man Raga me got a police station.
You got a police station.
I police station. When me got a police station, I report and everything, I make the police and they say, alright. They say they can't really do nothing much about it.
Yeah.
But with the police, I talk to know him. And so when he see me, we talk to him and make him know. You want the money or whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
Me say, Raga, me there at Jamaica, I spend 3 weeks at Jamaica, me no see this man.
You spent 3 weeks at Jamaica, you not see him at all, though.
Me no see him, me no hear from him. Nothing, Raga. Me have to leave Jamaica and come back, me 140,000 gone. Up to the day from was about 2013 or 2014, but today me not get back me 140,000.
That are the 140,000 Jamaican equivalent, 140,000. Yeah. I know you not see that though. Not even a penny you get back.
Penny. So me tell myself, Raga, me laugh and me say, yeah, amount of money me can find some money, I want me do some money.
Yeah.
Like this man plan up for me, you hear me tell you?
Yeah, man. It ain't a while, yo.
Me have to get back out of what me give.
Oh, you mean? The man must say, you know how much time that woman they make me tired out my tongue, you know, till all my tongue and my jaw kind of pain up and thing and she not give me nothing. Nothing. Right? You know how much time she make me weak out with my tongue and whatever and bad me up and lock me up on veranda at night and I don't know where to go and whatever this and that. You think I saw it go and things see? Me man just take your 140 G and just leg up. Bamba! Yeah, no. And from that, you know, no knowings down from them time they don't.
From that, no, you know, so me see him after that couple of years.
Oh, you see him?
And
that they go when you see him. The first time.
Let me tell you when me see him. And they say, right?
Yeah.
When he see me, two of my skinny teeth and I go on, right? Me never could even fix it. Because me get way more than
true.
Me just make it go on. A couple of years pass well too. You know, I mean, never even for the police or nothing. So me just say, man, make it go on. It's just a loss.
Not only you get way more from him and whatever and thing, I bet you him are the only man swipe you make you squirt.
At that time.
At that time. No. I mean, what's him get a little squirt swiping there and thing. No, man, make him go on with that, man, because him did that take care of you in a school come right through more than a year. Because from what I have read with these things, you know, for him, like, you know, I give all them good swipe there, you know. A whole heap of work him out put in there, so, you know, man. A whole heap of work him out put in, and it look like anytime he swipe you, the way you good and thing, you pop off, so you know how much pop off you get from him. John, when the man say, you know, I'm going to take back that food here from her, you know, she lucky.
I do raga, between bad raga, between bad milk, one time go and town, you know.
Yeah.
Imagine the man I go spin and buy things in the raga when I town, you know.
Yeah.
I remember when we start at this stall and like, more than me like that suit here. Right?
Yeah.
And when they go to us, remember the man come on like wall and run the waist, raga, you go on so right. Make them can't cost. You go on so bad raga. It's like when the man, if the man even touch me raga, I just feel different.
So you body him up and you never ever come like him like affectionate with you. You style him up, though.
Me bad him up, me style him up, me go on bad with him, raga. Raga, me didn't treat him good.
Never treat him good. Yeah.
You're right, because me want to make somebody girls out. Then I say sometimes when we do something to somebody, don't take it back, you know.
Yes, retribution or something to reach back, you know. Yeah.
Yes. True.
Yeah, because the only reason you give him 140,000, you know, because you think, so, yeah, him weak to me and thing, man, and what that, but so, him go do it, you know. Because me listen to you, you're not fool, you know. I take up your money, give a man so and thing, unless you think, say, yo, no money, I'm go do what him say, I'm go do and thing, but he never while.
Work.
Yeah.
And me would have got paid and man now for the house, you know, but I get that part for free.
Right.
But by the material.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, I mean, me have somebody sorry no, me can't go really pressure if you buy the material and do it. So me say, you know, me send the money and buy the thing.
Yeah.
And then we just do it.
In a while you do. All right, big up yourself, you know, respect for that one day proper, you know. All right, blessings, man, cool. Yo, the general say, you know, when me go through with this money, take a look at money me spend on her, and she angle me shabby and deal with me like a little clown. You understand? And I always have me at the edge like say me I go get the look of something and me not get it and thing and whatever. And I walk out my mouth and all these things and whatever. You know how much papa she get from me. You know how much money me spend on she. Me I take back that look much, you know. Yeah, it can't come close to when me give her, but I saw. You see it. Yo, we have to, you know, him broke her foot with that thing there, but in some ways it's understandable, though. Maxie said I should have more money him take off her. Yo, and people do remember my birthday party, Ragabash, September 20th, Amazura Concert Hall in Queens, Amazura in Queens, right? My birthday party, September 20th, Saturday, September 20th. Music by DJ Chris Cross, any TamFam, a long time TamFam, I don't know the thing that link there with me. I'm a little BREDDA that scene. And you don't know the veteran glamour win and thing. It's a grown and sexy party, and we are talking about 80s, 90s, 2000 music and thing. And you know, it's a little jiggy, something TamFam style, Tambourine family style, a Ragashanti something and thing. I'm a birthday party. All I want to watch us and make sure someone come to party. Right? The only way is unless you're there at Jamaica and you can't get a visa, I will understand. You understand? But if you're any all I want up in America, right, just know and think, big up all of the people who always fly from England and think Craigton and them people who come over my party, them said. Right? September 20th, Amazura in Queens, New York, right? Atlanta people ever come up from Atlanta. People always come up from Houston. People always come up from the Fort Lauderdale area, the Palms area, Miami area. Always come up party and things. Saying the DMV people, them who always come up, most of them drive up and things, big up on themselves, right? We are talking about Maryland. We are talking about, you know, Delaware. And we are talking about Virginia, you know. And thing and Washington people, them things. Seeing big up on yourself, you know. Pennsylvania people, we are talking about Philly, Pittsburgh and them place. They don't ever come a party them to New Jersey, me not say nothing. Because I always full up a place and thing. And of course, New York City and thing, of course. Bronx, even Westchester County and thing. Mount Vernon people who know themselves, who ever they are Ragabash. Queens, of course. Brooklyn, of course. Brooklyn never full up a place and thing. Even Staten Island and thing large upon yourself. CT on ever did it. Right? Danbury, Waterbury, even New Britain always did. And of course Hartford and thing. Boston on ever did it. I always have people, a few people who do living work and them something up in Vermont, New Hampshire, and even Maine. On ever come down to Ragabash. Big up the T-Dot people them who always fly in Canada and thing. Big up on yourself, right? And look for study eye them too. And thing. September 20th, Ragabash. With you know what I need for sure now? Well, I'm me show you something. Oh, tickets are on sale at Eventbrite, but we have some other thing we want. Wait, no, I said I want to show you. Wait there. No, not that more. Right? Christina Brown Sugar, big up, Raga loves you. All right. Any mix up will involve a jacket. Or any other mix up on the have, just come in, all right? I love the energy since the show start and thing. It a go on good, want to keep it up and things. See? Any mix up on the have, or if you have a jacket mix up, just send on. See? Hello. What up?
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan, baby. What's up?
But Sarah, I'm have a piece of mix up for you, see?
Kick me down with it, man. Kick me down with it. Yeah.
Saying I know what I say.
Yeah.
My dad date this one, right?
Yeah.
And a long time I talk to him and the boy I give him things and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Saying I know what I say. But tell the boy say, like how you give me things long time, your money nice, everything.
Yeah.
I go sort you out good and proper.
You got sort him out good and proper. Oh, that is really nice and
Right,
considerate. Yes, right.
But Raga and myself, me not sort him out, because that boy I'm not like none of that.
Oh, okay. But so why you tell him that?
You know for boots up him head?
Oh, for keep him locking for things, say him I go get it.
And the money flowing.
Yeah, so the money can flow and thing and whatever. So you have to keep him in that state that like him I go get it. No. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you know what I no boy come on me yard.
Yeah.
You know light candle everything?
Who light candle?
Me like the candle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So now me don't tell my friends saying yo, me not like this nigga.
Yeah.
Me not like how him talk and everything. For some reason, every time him talk, him out not smell good.
Oh wow, yeah, that's
Yeah, you know them people have a true pamble but him money time and all that.
Yeah.
So now boy come I do. My friend, me did don't tell my friend what me I do.
Mm-hmm.
So I make sure buy one of them. Woman front there? The fake one?
Woman what?
The woman pum pum.
The fake woman pum pum.
Yeah.
You buy one of you buy one of them there?
I buy one of them come have plans.
Right. The Wallan is a strap on one you buy?
One of the strap on one, Raga.
Yeah, okay. For my older listeners who get confused at this point with these things sell here. You have fake chun, fake puni we sell, and the ladies can't strap them on and thing. And why them sell these? I don't ask me. I'm just telling you they exist. Go on, yeah.
So now, Raga, why come on my house now?
Mm-hmm.
I'ma say, you ready? I'm not even giving a break. And I did night,
Uh-huh.
I'ma tell the boy, I said, look here, I don't like to have sex in the lights. I like sex in the dark.
Right.
So now, Raga, before me even put on the strap on something, boy coming up anxious. I'm like tight.
Mm-hmm.
And tell him to come on top of me.
All right. Remember, yeah.
Tight, Raga.
You remember to keep it balanced, yeah?
Man, they are strokes, Me tell him not touch it, me direct it, me put it in.
Yeah.
I'ma just spray some of the lubricant gel in my hand.
Yeah.
And rub it between my leg. I'm gonna stroke out backside. I'm gonna that time nothing reach me to the I between my leg the boy I go. The boy that gonna go on and must say baby I like that. I say yeah baby right there sir. And nothing not gonna win.
But when you strap it on, you did get one where so him never see it all no. Him never look
Him
on
never
it.
see it because of dark.
And I
Never put on me take off the strap-on one.
Yeah.
And the man did that him do him thing, but I between my leg and my leg tight.
Okay.
So instead of, that's a big man, you know. Then I really, you know.
Okay.
So I put the lubricant between my leg and in my tab my leg.
Okay. I know that end up now.
So anyways now, after him coming everything, him give me 20 grand.
Him give you what?
And then 20 grand.
20. Oh, you're in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Him give me 20 grand. Then me and him talk and we go out and him go home and at them time him start sending things.
Him start sending on more. Can feel like say him get it though.
Yeah, him feel like him get it.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, no. The other week no him come again. And I decide say yeah. I go use time start tell me how you see I can split. So he said me cock up foot and everything. So now Mr. Sir come back now the other week.
No, but what the punchline? Yeah. So
So the sir come back the other week, no? And I decide to me go use the woman pum pum this time. So we put some lubricant in the woman.
You go use the what?
The woman, you know the plastic top what the man them use for like, you know? But them fist?
Yeah, but what you did use before, no?
No, I take off the strap on.
But
so now when the man come now and decide to want some more stuff and cock up foot and everything, I just put him penis in the cup something.
All right, hold on. So basically, the whole thing is that you're using these fake things to make him think him doing something, right?
Yes.
Okay, and so you use so the next thing where you're telling us that is another version of a fake thing, right? Okay, but then what else to it then?
So now when the man come now, I'm make him start use the fake something, and then did him pop off and everything. But 2 weeks after, because him did well one pitney in Reggae. Because he never get no youth yet. So now about 2 weeks after, I tell him I'm pregnant. And I'm glad he call him man and he tell him mother I'm pregnant and everything. And then his mother there say, this your girl too pretty.
Hold on. Before we come, I don't want to draw to me. I take some other call. So you are say from the time when you convince him, say you run it upon him. How old is this man? Because you say a big man, but how old is he?
I'm 46.
I'm 46. So you say you trick him, say you give it to him, and then 2 weeks later you tell him say you're pregnant, and he believe you. And he believe you.
Yeah, he believe. Can well one pitney.
2 weeks kind of quick for your man believe that, do you?
Well, he believes I'm pregnant.
But why you, if you know say 2 weeks is too quick, even if you're a trick a man, you go tell him 2 weeks. Why you tell him 2 weeks after?
No, I'm tell him I'm pregnant. Remember, say me and him do it already, you know.
Oh, but how long before you did do that?
About around a month after.
Okay, all right then. All right, respect for that one day. You're not say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
Yes, so when I tell him I'm pregnant now.
No, hold on, my bunks come out that call you and thing, see? All right, now say a word. Cool. I go see if we can bring in somebody else. Hello?
Hello.
Yes,
good night, Raga.
Good night, Wagwan.
Big up yourself, man. The day I know Raga, me have a mix up again, sir.
Senan.
Mr. Raga, me meet one little man.
Yeah.
We work at one gas station, Raga.
Yeah.
And me say me and him go one guest house, you see, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
And me say go bathe and him go bathe. Raga, you see, when me say, we in the bathroom I do so long, Raga. When me go in there, the man a spraying tongue. Raga, so me go back on the bed and me call team.
Now, what you say him do what? What you say him what? Why him do what? Him a spray him tongue?
Spraying tongue.
What you mean? For what?
Raga, when me say, Raga, me don't, when me call him and the man say, me soon come, me soon come. His tongue stiff. His tongue stiff, Raga. So me say, wait a while, go on. So me call him back again. When the people in the bathroom, me see him lick it, boy. Wait up. Cause he turn handicap now, you know, cause you spray the tongue stiff, Raga. Stiff. So me don't say nothing, Raga. So when he come in the room, and come on the bed, me see tongue hang out, so Raga. So me say, what to you here? Nothing more, me just put something for my tongue, cause me have to help the tongue to help you out. Me say, Raga, you see when I take off the clothes, Raga, and the tongue is stiff like a one piece of iron. Me say, Raga, when it touch me, the tongue there, me say, Raga, me say, no man, me have to draw back in myself and drop, and me say, no man, the tongue not supposed to stiff, so. Me say, Raga.
You know, so you is a damn liar.
Raga no lie me.
Yes, you lie, you tell and God I watch you right now and you just get a demerit. You're not going to heaven.
No.
You're not going into heaven because you tell big lie. You call Ragashanti show and you clown out Ragashanti show. Listen to me, I'm going to tell you why you're a damn liar. That you disrespect me. You disrespect me. I call before. Well on man, I call before and tell lie. Somehow no say sure go on now, no one call in now, no one feel good, so now call in and them thing there. And you call and I tell one big dirty crosses, disrespectful dirty lie. You tell me now, why would a man who I go swipe somebody and want that flexibility in him tongue, I go spray him tongue for him get sick? I never hear nothing like this from the day I born and thing. You know, say you're a wicked woman, you're wicked to me. You're wicked to me, you know. And you double down on the lie. You double down on the lie. Woman, stop telling lie right now. Gotta listen to you right now. Gotta go box you and give you a lock jaw. Stop it. You tell lie on the... Who ever spray them tongue for them tongue get stiff for swipe? You ever hear anything go say it? Nobody them spray. His body them spray. What you mean? Better you say him did I do one mouth. Listen to me. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Me talk to you. Listen to me. If it did set to it, you know, say the man that's with one mouth freshener and thing and whatever for freshen up him mouth and them something they would have. You a call, we know, and I waste our time. I tell you, say some of this, a man spray him tongue, for him tongue get stiff, for come swipe you. Yes, you're wicked enough.
A stiff tongue.
No, lie you tell. Who going want a stiff tongue for go swipe a woman? Anything can go so?
Raga, me said
I don't want to call it so with a big dirty lie them and all them. No, lie you tell. Lie you tell.
Raga, me left them, me can't call the hotel and you call the hotel. Me left the man in the hotel and he end up on a mere penis. Don't tell me say me tell lie, Raga.
Lie you tell. You tell lie on him tongue and you tell lie on your juju. You're telling lie on him tongue and you're telling lie on him juju. And you disrespect me sure. And you disrespect Ragashanti and thing. What a wicked woman. You gonna say the man with him tongue for him tongue get stiff and thing. Wherever you anything go so yet.
Me say Raga, you can't call the hotel. Me say man end up in a mere hospital with him tongue. Don't tell me say me I tell lie, Raga.
Lie I tell. If anybody know about a man end up in a Maple hospital with stiff tongue when him spray something upon because him did not go swipe on a call and tell me and thing like that. But I am not buying it. I am not. Not only I'm not buying it, but I feel insulted that you think say you could have passed something like that with me and thing like that. John, me no want nobody else call on no big dirty lie them and thing or whatever. It's not one of them show. They know an idiot show for no come clown out this. It's not an idiot show for no come clown out this. I we say mix up and thing. I want to no call call in and share the something with them and thing. But you not be disrespectful when you call in, when you big dirty lie them because when you get hype about the social media thing and you want to hear on yourself and all them something and thing. I don't want to hear it and thing. I better me done this show and go on. But listen to me. No, people never hear anything fool say it. A man a spray him tongue for. Tongue need flexibility. Tongue have to twist up and curl up and all them something that when anybody I watch porn movie or watch blues and them something that you see that who wants a stiff tongue? You understand? People joke about them something there and think why somebody and you say the man in there long. And you wonder why him in there so long. So why him in there so long and spray him tongue so long?
Raga.
Eh?
Raga.
What?
Me say, Raga.
What?
Me say, I can call you, get somebody to call the hotel. Me
No, you know what me I gotta do right now?
No,
me I gotta make people call in and tell me if them think you would tell the truth. And that me I gotta do.
Yeah, make them do that.
All right then. Make me hear people who call in with a mix-up but who call in to and tell me if she did not tell the truth or if I lie she a tell and whatever. Yo, you remember I said I don't want to call up the show with a look a gimmick. Listen up, me playful and I'm goofy and all them something there, but me notice that someone like who don't want to come in at this with some look a idiot gimmicky fool type or something. Who no go man. We don't want nobody call, we don't want to look idiot, fool, sick now, whatever, like, we don't just want to hear on yourself, or we don't want to call up with some look of clown foolishness and whatever. We don't go, man, no matter call this man. But the man stick back. You never hear anything say yet? What can go, sir? Yeah, we joke all the while, you know, and think people say, yo, you have a stiff tongue and whatever, and all them stuff there, whatever. But people know common sense tell you, who wants a stiff tongue for swipe? Unless you're going to have the tongue assimilating an instrument, approximating an instrument, right? And things, something like that, right? But nobody, all right. All who I watch right now, if you're not follow me now. Follow me now. If you're not follow me, you see the 2,200 on there right now. At least 700 on I watch and now follow me. So follow me right now. At least, well, they got no look a bit now because I'm going to start follow me. But 600 and enough or 700 and more on a watch out of the 2,200 on hundreds of now follow me yet. So follow me right now. Right? Follow me now. Follow. All right, let me tell you now. All I want to, you know, because I see the request set me full up, you know. You see, anyone I want to come here, so, with any lie and whatever, we are going to done, no. If you know, say you come with some makeup, something and whatever, this and that, we are going to deal with no wicked. If you not come here, say, with some makeup, so, you know, go, man. Go empty on the chimney, we're full up from last night, you know, empty out all now. Go wash in the bathroom. Clean in the kitchen or something, right? I go scrape off a chigga off on the two of them and all them something there. Go. Because I know they say this little thing take and tonight I the woman them, you know, because what the other man them are calling with some big dirty lie, you know. And next thing you know, the show gonna be this thing where people just call in and chat. Beer idiot lie foolishness. Wanna go, man. Wait, somebody said them believe her. Somebody said believe her. And whatever. Believe what? She said the man in the old long and all these things and whatever. Why? Spray your tongue, feet get stiff, we go swipe. You hear me I say? If you're not follow me, follow me now. Before me take your neck. Somebody said, what if it's true? Well, with us. Somebody said, what if it's true? Somebody said, I believe. Javi said, what if it's true? What if what is true? Somebody else say, I believe her too. Me believe her. Somebody say, Ross, lie. One way say, I believe also. Ali say, what can go so? And I say, lie. One I say, I don't believe. Yeah, let me see in the chat one I say, make me laugh. Lie. All right. All who say she tell true, one say true. All who say she tell lie, post lie. Let me see it. I want to watch a chat now and see if I'm more lie than true or more true than lie. If I lie, all right, put lie. If I true, I true. See, bomba the chat. The chat get mad. Hold on. Lie. I see some true, but lie lead, you know. Which not necessarily the case because people were more agree to something negative than something positive. True. She have a good amount of people believe her. I don't get some maybes in there, but she have a good amount of people say true. She have it's like me they think the liar lead, but it looks split, you know. You have enough lie, but you have enough true too. Enough people believe her. Why is somebody going to spray them tongue feet get stiff? Who does that? That don't even make any sense to me. Like what I'm saying is, it would have to be like a thing, you know? You know, people know, say, people use China brush, that's a thing. People use Todd 100, that's a thing. People use stone, man use gungo, right? That's a thing. Women use alum for tighten up, that's a thing, right? We know the thing that, you know, when alum tighten up, it also dry out because it make the vaginal muscle contract. So it will tighten but it dry. That's a thing. We know that because people use it and thing. Only ever hear about anybody like it's a thing out there for spray your tongue and if it gets stiff, if you go swipe, and even if you spray, why would you want your tongue to be stiff to swipe? I don't think, I say it, I can't, not think this out, you know. You're not thinking it out. You're not thinking it out. You're not thinking it out at all. Right? But this thing ever come like a debate on the show, right? Watch y'all know she get through. Enough people believe her, you know. I will heap a lie there, but I will heap a true there too. Why would... I can't even, some people are writing somebody, we the chatter move fast, we can't even keep up. All right, like the live, just tap the screen, tap the screen, all right? Do a poll. I guess that is a TikTok thing. I don't know how to do it over here. How do you do a poll over here? Somebody tell me, come on and do it. Come on, no, so not respond, okay? For the algorithm people, just tap the screen. You see the arts that come up is when you tap the screen, all right? All right, how do you do the poll? There's a way to do the poll. I know there's a way to do the poll in the live, you know, but like, where you go? This thing I move so fast. Oh, somebody said him a turn the tongue in him body. So that's why I want a stiff tongue. Lord Jesus. Hold on, all right. Go to settings, Raga. Settings. Tools, co-host. Oh, poll. Okay, see something I was say poll. Quick poll. All right, let me click this and see. You can set up a 1 minute poll with emoji options. Clearly state what your question is and what the two options are. Okay. I'm seeing this thing here in TikTok and it's only for a minute. So once we tell you enough to jump on it. All right. If you think it's true, you're going to put the laughing emoji, right? And if you think it's lie, you're going to put the bawling emoji. Let me say that again. I'm seeing this. Yo, TikTok are the boss. Yo, so we're going to run a 1 minute poll. If you think it's true, you put the laughing emoji. And if you think a lie, no, in a start yet, people, Lord Jesus, so the people that you know, I love when we rate to the people, it not start yet. Bill, clutch. What me I say is, all right, so if you think it's true, you put the laughing emoji. I'm not going to tell you when me I start. And if you think it's lie, you put the bawling emoji. All right? Here we go. 5, 4, 3. This is just 1 minute, 2, 1. Go! All right. Let me see who I lead. Go! Wait. All right. If you think it's true, you put the laughing emoji. If you think it's lie, you put the bawling emoji. People, the laughing emoji are lead with 112 to 55. Bombard! A lie! What are they? We have 30 seconds to go. Laughing emoji are lead and whatever. If you 20 seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bah! Okay, it says stop. What? I can't believe this. I don't know. Me just telling you what me say. It's a 217 to 97. Laughing emoji win by double, more than double. How? This is not even close. Like, most I want to believe her than, 217 to 97. We're talking near to, not only it's over 50%, it's like, almost like 60%. All right, I could do one more poll. It look like my team I lose tonight, Me up on the balling emoji, because I don't believe her, but this is enough I want to believe her, so I could see what happened tonight. Okay? Let's go again. I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to run it again, all right? Remember, if you think it's true, laughing emoji. And if you think it's like bawling emoji, why you come back in here? Through your ear, no, we're talking about stuff. My son is here with me, auntie. Listen to me. No, I will go back out. We're talking about stuff or whatever that I don't want you to okay? Nothing about in here look like excitement in here, All right. Go. It starts again. Oh, wait. Well, okay, we're going to start it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. All right, let me see. Come now, balling emoji. What my team there? Balling emoji. Come now. Balling emoji. I'm not going to tell another line, Balling emoji. Come now, man. All who disbelieve. Jesus and peace, you're not going to make them win again. Oh, come on. Balling emoji. More balling emoji. Come on. Balling emoji, you're not going good, We are get up wicked a beat me now. Jesus! 20 seconds to go. 19. Balling emoji, come now, jump up my people, come now, man. Getting down to 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Oh, Jesus. This is even 242 to 101. I don't know. I see a whole heap on I put a whole heap. I don't know how TikTok do it. I'm just telling you the truth. Laughing emoji win again. They have 242. Bawling emoji 101. So by far, this is like Yeah. This is approaching 240 to 101 in 240, so 120 would be 50%, and then 20. So we're talking about, it's almost 3 to 1. Well, no, it's not 3 to 1. It's like, it's not even 2.5 to 1. But yeah, talk about 60-something%. So you're looking at 2/3. So laughing emoji win by far. Now, I am man enough that we say if me get a whooping, you acknowledge your whooping. All right. Here, gallery, big up yourself, you know, boo. All right. I'm gonna just blow up my phone, man. Okay. All right. Me take a beating. And based upon the viewer's response, me I apologize to her. That is the right thing to do. Based on the viewer's response from you, the viewers, we are going to apologize to her. Right? We're going to apologize to her. So, miss, the viewers them say you are tell the truth. Me not agree with it, you know. But me I go with the, listen to me people, if you don't want me done the show, you keep on and tell me about next call. Or if you don't want me black, people want tell them, man, once you see somebody in a chat tell me about next call. Me don't want nobody come over here and direct me off around the show, man. I'm an issue, I'm a little pet peeve that. Me I do this for decades. I don't need anybody come over here and tell me what me for do. Me don't like it. Me not, people want to see them do that in a chat, just tell them. Them just say, hey, not do it. Him get stupid when that happen. Even tell him, I don't think it's a big deal, but he thinks it's a big deal, so, but don't do it, right? Me don't want nobody come tell me when me for take call and whatever, all right? No go, man. Do not direct the show. I don't run the show, and me I run the show. Feedback is good, but don't give me no directions. Me not like it. Me I run the show and the show go on good and whatever because me know what me I do. And then you come over here because the show go on good, but then I don't want to come direct me who I run the show for decades. I know how it I do. Me know what I do. I don't come over here and look a selfish self. I want it. Sure. Relax on yourself, man. Don't give me no direction. No want nobody give me no direction. Okay. Anyway, back to what thing. So again, I want to apologize to the lady who called in. And I know how much I dismiss her. Marsha, big up yourself, you know, my friend. All right? Marsha, tell them no, say a long time, something of that. Anyway, so, Miss Lady, I apologize to you because my people based upon the majority, not only the majority, but a significant majority, they believe that you are telling the truth. So my apologies. I have to humble myself and take back my talk right there, so can I go with what them say. All right? All right, let's go. Hello.
Hi, boss. What's up?
Crosses, what go on?
Yeah, two things.
Yeah.
Brownie.
Brownie Shanna. Mm-hmm.
I have read.
Yeah, you have read too? Okay, we're avid readers.
I don't know about the stiff part.
Yeah.
But I do know they have sprays
Of course,
that
they
make
have
the
Wooly
mouth
spray.
very lubricant.
No, them have spray for desensitize the thing to feed hard, but the spray don't make it hard, you know. It decreases the sensitivity so you don't come quick. So them have a whole heap of spray for the instrument.
Not going in a mouth.
They not going in a mouth.
A mouth where I talk about.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So the one for the mouth, I don't know about that. I know that we have one I mean, they have one that
You
makes
don't give away yourself already. You don't give away yourself already. You don't give away yourself already, Fox. You don't give away yourself already. So what you say? You you have a mouth lubricant spray?
right. That makes it like a lot of people. You know, those people that like spit play,
Like what?
spit play,
What you call it? What?
slurp. Like a lot of people who like to slurp, like spit play.
Hold on. There is a
Jesus
thing. There is a thing called spit play.
Yes.
Oh.
Like somebody else that come spit on me.
No, I know about them something, but I never know like there is a thing called spit play.
There's a thing. There's a thing. Remember,
anyway, go on, yeah.
fetishers have different fetishes.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to bear in mind and just be open minded and just listen. Don't judge.
Mm-hmm.
We listen, but we don't judge.
I say that's something that I go on, go on. I would never play it, by the way, but go on.
But so the one for the mouth, the one I know of, it makes your mouth so moist. Sometimes you have to literally use a napkin or a towel. Because sometimes when you wipe your mouth and your people are teasing at the chat,
yeah,
and myself, now you have a little understanding why every time you need some people want.
No, hold on. How me drop in here, so?
Oh, I mean,
what are you talking about? What me I wipe my mouth? What do you mean me I wipe my mouth? What are you talking about? Hold on, how me drop in? Hold on, you talk about spit play and then sometime when you are doing it, how me drop in with spit play? I don't even know what is spit play. How me get mixed up in another one?
Look here now, you are ready to understand it. That is your business.
No. Here is the logical question from where you just and excuse my.
You drop in?
No, hold on, man, and excuse my ignorance here, right? But it would seem to me that anything to do with the mouth, that it's an easy thing for the person make them mouth salivate, right? Right? No, hold on. It would seem to me that is something. Why would somebody need to spray something in their mouth when they can generate their own saliva? I don't get it.
That's the thing, bossy. When you're doing certain activities, your mouth will dry out quick. Why? When you're salt out, you want water. You ever wonder why?
No, but what I'm saying is I can understand if somebody get dehydrated, a Jamaica Jamaica born and grow. Anybody who know you have zinc all stop with the sun a beat down on it, sun at salt out, dehydrate your mouth get dry, you have to drink water. When you just a salt out straight. What I'm saying is anything to do with the mouth, can you not? Can every human being just make them mouth salivate more? No. Why
you want to run a pour?
No, I'm not run a more pour. But so hold on, you have people spray a thing in their mouth for them mouth get more
salivated, yeah.
Wow.
You'll be surprised. All right. Make we come off a brownie now.
Yeah.
The other miss before brownie now.
Yeah.
Little girl. Why should do that?
What should do? Tell me what should do.
Okay, so if you're into toys, like some people are.
Let me just carefully say, this person talking.
No.
Hold on. Let me just say that this person talking is an authority on certain things. So you're listening to a qualified voice who a bad piece of girl listen chat who know the something with them. So go on. So tell me now. No, go on talk no man fact. So what you say now? First of all, Elisha did I tell?
Yeah.
Okay, why? And we're not talking about Brownie Shanna. We're talking about the one who said she did have the old man and thing and whatever.
Right.
And yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Me and you are not new to certain things.
What you mean, me and you? Listen to me. Say, why you insist to mix me and some of them and thing like that? No, me don't want me and you. That boy,
All right,
come to
I
the
have
woman, yeah,
read.
man. Yeah, you have read. Yeah, you are a reader too. You're a
Okay.
reader, woman.
So,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
You see the thing what you're talking about?
Yeah.
They're out there. There,
Well, yeah.
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if the person is old, cool,
Yeah.
dry up,
Yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
When you're using those toys,
Mm-hmm.
you also have to use lubricant. Right?
Oh, I.
No. So you specifically use it on a man in the way how she was describing it.
Mm-hmm.
Impossible unless you blindfold him and type him too and then. You follow me?
No, she said she strapped
Okay,
it
so you
on.
see
It's
that,
there, and she
that
turn off the
particular
light.
toy,
She turn off the light.
turn off light now, nothing to do with this, Raga. Warm to man.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just
You make me
telling
get
you
angry.
what she said to in an attempt to make her story credible.
All right, you could have turned off the light, blindfold him and tie up him too and them. That feel better?
No, you can't say what you're saying. I'm just saying if you're going to dispute what she's saying and you're providing an argument to
Okay,
hold on. Remember, fact, it's a common thing for man get leggings in a Jamaica.
All right.
Right?
Why
And
you know
hold
say,
on.
hold on.
And think same in there when him not in there. A regular thing that man get look squeezements down there so and think them in there. And I know them not in there. So
I agree.
so me I say
And when you
along
put
those
it in your back of your knee,
no, so why you think
to
say
drive a
hold
man
on, no,
crazy.
so hold on. So why you think say a woman couldn't trick a man with a strap on, Jojo?
Okay, oh Jesus. Think about this. It gets a strap on Jojo,
Mm-hmm.
right? Me never see the strap on Jojo. I only know the one where you have to hold in your hand. And the one that held in your hand, sometimes that help with girths for some men.
Mm-hmm.
Because remember, you know, everything I meant now. No, the way how she
All right, hold
described
on.
it,
I'm surprised that me have to tell you this. But you see, just as how you have fake.
the strap on,
Listen. You see, just as though now you have fake male instrument where the woman can stick up anywhere, like on the wall and them something that you know so them exist. Them have strap on Jojo where a man can position anywhere. Like him can position around this position. He can put it on the angle on him bed, or him can put it on one put him, you know, them have them. Them not common because the man them usually use the dolly version. But them even have the little one them where it's just the pelvis where the Jojo there, them all them something. Them out them man.
All right.
Yeah, but go on, yeah.
Write this one down. Keep that point.
Yeah, you have to make your point quick now, you know.
Remember now, you know.
Yeah.
If you are going to insert something, it have to have room behind so it go through.
That is a good point. Yes, yeah.
All right. So when you put a strap on, Jojo, does that make sense to you?
It can.
Oh, jeez. All right. Okay.
No, I'm just saying it can be. I'm not saying I believe her, you know.
No. We're not.
I'm not saying I believe her. But me I say,
thing.
if she say she in a darkness and whatever, and she catch a man who a clown to the thing and whatever, and she a draw him up and thing and whatever, and this and enough people get fooled in the dark and him, no, you know, think say him in there and whatever, and him not in there, you know. But me not say I believe her. Me never believe her. Me just kind of make it, you know, go on and then, you know, them brownish and
better should it tell us, say, should it catch the instrument back her knee? That can trick a man. In your elbow, that can trick a man. Under your arm, that can trick a man. But the strap on Jojo don't make no sense.
All right, me could see what some other people say about it and things. One last question before you go.
Lord Jesus.
You be it for a morning?
Yes, sir.
I was okay, just checking in on you as a friend, you know.
You know my finna beard? I'm not even poop on people. So what you say?
Fox, big up yourself, yeah, my friend. Every
All right.
event me keep you dead and you y'all call me, boss. Me not hear from you how long in me just a check up on you and make sure you're okay. Fox, yeah, my friend. Right?
Hold on.
From the first time I talk to you when the party keeper squeeze yard and you go in at the man pool and then you call me and say, I want to sew, me nearly brought my foot in at the man pool and you forgot.
Liar tell. Hold that gift there.
My friend, big up yourself. Your Raga loves you. Okay, blessings. Bye. Cool. Well, I have to humble myself in that show you today, you know, because I be sitting and come up and all them something, you know, so I could see what I go on here. You know, like, see, can't believe my side losing a poll, you know, 2 times.
Thank you for calling. This is your customer advocate. May I have your first and last name, please? Hey, Raga, you can't call me, but just get a call, but that work.
I love it. Well, I can't.
Yes, I'm here. So sorry about that. My name is Jamaica. This is how may I assist you? Raga, we did want to talk to you, but Jesus have mercy, the car just come in.
Yeah.
But we have one little mix up figure about jacket. I mean a jacket, you know, so.
Yeah, jacket. So you can't juggle him together.
May I go try? Hold on.
Yeah, man.
Yes, may I have your first and last name, please? All right, and how may I assist you tonight? That woman that called me already not annoy me.
Who is it? I love it, you know.
So.
You see how she multitask? You see how she ride and whistle?
Okay. All right, I understand. But our full credit department is already closed out for the night. Do you want me to provide you with their phone number?
So blood clot, I want dead. No, Fiona. What? Fiona Fifi.
All right, thank you. All right, and let me give you our full credit department number.
No, Fiona, them not hear we, man. Them not hear we. I me tell her if we go and do what she do, man. Just cool, man.
Man, I lie to me, I'm going to panar. Look, man, I'm going to me in a Raga. Actually, I come back and I know Sammy. Okay, all right, let me give you their number. They're open 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, okay? Number. What information is it that you need?
All right, here we are going to show it you.
Raga?
Yeah. Your jacket?
Hold on. Yes, my jacket. Good jacket.
Good. Yeah.
No, ma'am. I wouldn't have that information at this point. The only information I would have is to give you their number. Correct. Right. So I can give you their number and then you could give them a call in the morning. They'll be able to assist you further. You have a pen and paper handy?
Yeah, give her the number.
Raga. It's 46.
In the meantime, when you follow me if you don't not follow me yet. Follow me now if you don't not follow me yet.
636.
Follow me now if you don't not follow me yet.
7346. Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you so much for calling for the Canada. You have a good night. Be a servant end of the call. You take care. You too. Bye-bye. Yes, Raga. Sorry.
No, that's okay. We understand.
But that work.
Yes.
I work till 11 o'clock, but this ugly woman called the phone and said she have court order and all these nice things. I tell her I can't help her. I can't afford credit. And she cussed me off and hung up your phone. So she called back now and I say I cut her off. Yeah. Sorry, me know for me next time. Sorry.
No, that's cool. No, me tell you to go with it and whatever. I have an ear for these things, you know. I can eye and an ear for these things, you know, because they're just unusually fun. It's unpredictable, but it works. Yes. You understand?
Yes. Yeah. I wasn't expecting the call, honestly, because normally between now and 11, I don't get any phone calls.
See, it's all good, man. So what's up?
So, good night, Raga.
Yes, good night, darling. Yeah, what's up?
Right. So I'm a jacket, full blow jacket. So I found out when I was probably about 21. So my mother gave me the backstory on it. So my stepdad and her were together from back in the 70s. And his name got called Anna Jacket too, back in 1980. And she decides, well, if you go to that, me, I'll do it too. Henceforth, me come round. But she never find out, say, me a jacket until me born. Because she's like, oh, different marks on you to tell you who you belong to and whatever.
Well, on. So she did think, say, the hold on. So she did that with.
So she did think, say, me I did for stepfather. But at the man was she go sleep with my daddy. You get it?
Okay.
Yeah, she live with my stepfather, but my stepfather got cheat on her and get caught on her jackets.
So, and I saw she got burn him back.
She got burn him back now, and I saw me come.
Jesus, God, and whatever. Yes. So, your stepfather, she did with his stepfather, I think.
Yes.
And him burn her. And then film name go call pan pick me out the road.
Right.
And she decided she go burn him back now.
And
when she burn him back, she did still think your stepfather was a father anyway, because just born, she did a burn him, though.
Right, but she thinks I did for my stepfather. So when me born now, she realized, say, I know, for my stepfather, after the, the Carbona man.
Yeah, no, so hold on. So the stepfather, when the stepfather find out, say, you are not him pick?
Well, him find out for me born, actually, because him see me and him like, them get together and might as well just give me a name and thing.
Oh, so from your born, him know, so you was a feel?
Yeah.
So
we never know nothing.
So when him say at the time, but you say him say something along the lines, well, since me go out there go born and get pick me, well.
Yes.
And you go do this and thing. I better with the two I would just roll it.
Better I would just roll it and go on.
Yeah, because me go bust your head and you bust back my head, right? And
right.
we call it quits and we balance and we keep it moving.
Right. But what all the man in the community keep on seeing and say, boy, you favor your brother, eh? You just favor your brother, so.
So you favor your brother that are the Bonner man.
That are the Bonner man, so not my brother. Yes.
Then well, them people, you have some people in that community, you think they easy, they map out the thing them, and know
yes,
what
I
is.
should do it for years. Right through high school, should do it.
She say, you favor the other one there.
Right, I favor the other one, yes.
Yeah, no. So what you say when you find out?
I never find out till me at 21 for sure, but my stepfather did say it when me at 16.
Oh, him did say
in
it.
In anger,
in anger.
Say it. Yeah, and when I asked my mother, she just brush it off.
Brush it off.
But when me at 21 now, the real one called me and say, oh, and I saw your father, me your father. So I said, I don't know, you go come tell me say you're my pastor.
They will
you could have sugarcoat a little bit.
Them just come out with it dry, so
just come out with it dry. Yeah.
Me and your papa all this time, I know that, So what I know. Your mother did say, so it looks like your mother did maintain a link with your real father?
Yes, because she have a son for before me.
Oh.
Yes. So the link was still there. Them talk, but it wasn't like a regular. So when we reached 20, I think 20, she gave me his number and tell me to call him. So I call him, but me just call him and I call him by his name, like, I'm a father, I'm a brother father.
So why, when she gave the number for call him, what she said to you?
She just said call him so I can get linked with my brother.
Oh, you think she's
my brother is in the military, so she does give me like that. So when him come to me now and tell me that, no, I call her, I say, lady, what go on? And she said, I can't talk to you now, call me tomorrow. I'm
not ready for you yet. That one I got heavy. I'm not ready for you yet. I'm going to tell you about, no, catch me off guard. So I have to prepare first. I have to prepare first.
Yeah.
So
yes. So me and the brother favor, yes. Me and the brother favor, I'm a favor the father.
Yeah. Oh.
So the resemblance was there. So that's why people would walk and say, oh, you favor your brother, eh?
Yeah, no.
You just look like your brother, so.
See there? So hold on, no disrespect or anything to you.
Yeah.
But you feel like, say, you sound like you might have a weakness for your father and your biological father.
You know, say she did. And she did give me the breakdown because, back in a country, you grow a certain way. She have a bunch of kids and this one man come on and help her with the kids them and stuff. So she kind of have a little love for him that way because him help her, you know.
Oh, okay.
So after 5 kids, she go back to college. You know, I'm a stepfather, they stick around, help her with the 5 kids and stuff. They're married now still.
Oh, the
Then, you know,
stepfather,
2
right?
more.
The
My stepfather,
right.
mother married now. So
Right.
him a call daddy, you know, I call the other one. I call that one by him name. Him
Yeah.
dead now, rest him soul in peace. But
Right.
yeah.
Right.
But sometimes the biological, you know, need to meet them, you know.
That's true.
You need to leave them wish for them there. But
That's true.
him did just in the picture, so me never have an option
Voila.
to meet him.
Simply Tommy. You know what say that story on a boring? Probably are you boring? This is a very interesting story. Someone have to keep an opinion to yourself. Simply Tommy, you there talk about the story boring and think, I bet you know, man. I bet you know, man. The man where you have probably don't even like a Simply Tommy. Someone have to keep on opinion them to yourself. This is a very interesting story. Simply Tommy, are you boring? You're boring like.
I get my stepfather name.
This is a you know, I am just so caught up with what you say. I think about all these levels to the thing and whatever, and people are under and it. But somehow, I start calling on out, you know. I start calling out. Somehow, not too enough, man. Even if you have your opinion upon that, where you come out just about just so boring and thing like that, you know, go on, man. Mind sharp, you a jacket too.
Probably.
Some of them for bill, man. Me can't have your opinion, them just come with some negativity and whatever. This is a very interesting story, but you see them, and you have the sensational thing and whatever, and thing and people that get through window and all them something there, whatever, and then them come over here and them express them negativity and thing. We're going to start call out some of them, man. Keep it to yourself, man, and not control on the crosses from people and think when you're miserable about the tour boring and whatever. If it's don't have to stop it, man. I bet you don't know where your man there. Anyway, go and talk here.
Yes. So I get Miss Miller read the comments. Yes, I get my stepfather name.
Okay.
Yeah, but eventually did change to the real one because, you know, certain situation, you're in America, you have to get certain things done.
Yes. Oh, yes,
But,
yes.
Yeah.
And
So
it kind of tricky, you know, because you have enough time when blood transfer for go on and all them something. There a problem, you know, man, with them something there, you know.
Yeah. It was a problem because it took a few years because, you know, you have to go to deep hole at Jamaica.
Yes.
And then it got worse because eventually them have to go court. So stepfather and father have to meet up at court with my mother.
Wow, that did go on.
That was, yeah.
See, some people I say them go through some rush boy, and some people I say I see them thing did reach them and thing. No, this is I don't need to tell you. It's in the news. It's been in the news for years now about after the United States implemented the DNA requirement for the father filing for their children and whatever. The high number of kids who were not you know, their father, the alleged father, well, the father's child and whatever. And how many of them missed out on opportunities for that? So it's a very it's a very important and salient issue.
True. I didn't miss out on anything though, honestly.
Good.
My stepfather was everything to me because he's the kind of man who would sit there and he would pray with you. He would fast with you. Counsel you, you know. He loved all of us, you know, even though all of us were not his. He loved all of us. He took care of all of us.
Yes.
You know, so he was daddy, he was our father, he was everything to us, you know.
Yeah, at the end of the day, any man, you know, most man can breed a woman, you know, but you know, being a father to the children is a different thing from you know, being, you know, getting somebody pregnant, and you know, that is something separate from being a father.
Yeah.
Father, you're daddy, you're present. You're not only present physically, but you're present psychologically. And what I'm hearing from you, he was present emotionally and spiritually.
Yes.
Yeah. And at them man they will want to be good fathers. Yeah. Man, watch a video what you know.
Mom gave him a legit child. My last brother is his.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
I was watching,
he did get a legit child.
I was watching this video, you know, this stepfather, you know. In my video, him daughter graduate, right? Him stepdaughter graduate. And him a hold up the camera and him a video. And when them call the daughter name, the daughter make them call Phoebe last name in her name.
Yes.
Yeah, when I tell her the man broke down and the man ball him, it touch him in the man.
Yeah, man.
You understand? It touch him, man, and thing. I mean, I say, you see the grow, big, thick, strong man, you know, big, strong alpha man there. And it meant so much to him. Him sit down and him hold on him and him ball. Somebody else said them see the video there too. And things like that. These things are some very, very, very important issue out there, you know. And unfortunately, we grew up in Jamaica where enough of the stepfather them get beaten and we see the video them, oh, never you support our next man child and whatever. But in instances when the men them do that and thing and it turn out good, remember I said I know the picking them fault and never your fault. Right?
Exactly.
So the fact that him step
my
up.
daddy is daddy.
Yeah, your stepfather, yeah.
My son is his grandson.
See it there.
You know, my grandson now is his great grandson.
Yo, big up your stepfather, man. Big up your stepfather.
Man, every day.
Big him up, man. Big him up. Because the man did dead and present and thing right through your life.
Right
and
through.
Me I hear it from you. Me I hear it from you.
Man.
Me not only I hear it, me I feel it from you and thing. Big up your general, man.
Right
Big
through.
him up,
High
man.
school, college, everything, he was there.
Oh, God, look at
when
that.
I had the baby,
yes.
He called me. He said, my mommy called me. He said, look, if you can't manage him, send him come.
Jeez.
And I sent my son down there 1 year and 4 months, and they kept him for me for 12 years.
Your stepfather and your mother, don't?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And you couldn't tell that it was grandson. You thought it was his son. When he bring him go church with him, and everywhere I go, he's right there with him.
A good man, that man.
Yeah,
and
man.
This is a good story if we hear pan the show too. You understand? It's a good people them something. Yeah, we they and Remy and we laugh and kick up and carry on and we ke and all them something. But something like them thing, man, you know say all what day when all look woman when the lady talk and whatever and the thing not me I think about my daughter and you know me emotional about them something there and thing and say me a ball. Them look at things that come up, man. What's some amount of bill and absorb them thing and think about them and and give thanks. And the man them get beaten out the regularly and the one and you have a man, right? Him put shame aside and thing and him go out a road and kind of gears little bit and thing and well not little bit but significantly and thing but at the same time look what him do. He must say, him could have been stupid, him could have been immature. Wait, this and that, I'm not mind this, I can't believe and that. That not count. Me and you leave your son, you go do that. Him never do that. Him man bust a boom, man. You see it, she there attack right now. She proud. I'm a father that. And you hear she say, my son of him grandson. You understand? Because he was there.
Yes.
She said she fast together with him and church and whatever and all them something that he was present there and that we want from the man them. You see it? Even when mistake make, you can still do the right thing after. Yeah, and even when mouth I say this and that and whatever, because I can tell you people might say all kind of thing. Jacket him get and whatever. And they still say all kind of fart, no? Yeah.
Yes.
And
them say a whole heap of thing, but broad back.
Yeah. And him hold it do and say, I'm daughter. Then can't say them want to say I'm daughter. Listen to me no man. Big
when
him up.
Call the last name what me have no man, him call me. I got my grandmother's funeral. And them put the other name on the program.
Yeah.
And him call me and him say, I have a problem, I have a problem. I say, what happened? Him say, your last name is my last name. So me have a problem with that one day where them call the other last name.
Right.
So me say me understand. But you are my daddy, me are your daughter, and that I feel life. It never change. I mean, everything they come out and them call me, I had to sit him down and say, look here, you are my daddy. There's no other daddy for me. You are my daddy and you will always be my daddy. And me nobody feels so because the name change, it make you any different or make you any lesser.
Let me tell you something. I say a man though, it depends on social media too. Him daughter get married, And the daughter but the stepfather raise her, And the daughter go to her biological father and say she want him to carry her up, And the biological father said to the daughter, you must be mad. The only way me I walk up that the aisle with you is if your stepfather walk to, because that man has been so good to you. Him man tell him that, I say, me know you love me and me love you, but the way that man has been a father to you, me now walk up there and disrespect him and make and left him out. And the daughter was like, wow. And I told man then walk up with her.
Of course.
And carry her up and
very
thing like them
proud.
something there. Yeah. And me I said, John was the man there. See man there, see real man there. See real man there.
Yeah.
Right? See some
My
people are saying them
stepfather was
site on
that to my
social
son.
media.
Because his dad died when he was 9.
Who? Your son?
My son's father, yeah.
Oh.
Died when he was 9.
So your stepfather said,
So my stepfather
say your son a theme son.
Son of him, son.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yo, tell him say one little old cross is near Ragashanti, big him up here, right? tell him say one little boy, one little unknown, one little frefre. Big him up and say he's an inspiration and thing, and just no, I'm serious, tell him,
Yes,
just
man,
tell him so we hear, the rudimentaries, the basics of the story, and I am moved by it, I am impressed by it, and I appreciate, him doing the right thing. And we know enough about the world to know, as you just affirmed, that he was criticized or perhaps ridiculed in some way for taking the stance that he did with you, and that he had the courage and the resilience to sustain that and to not only do it, but to be proud of doing it. And that stands as an inspiration and a lesson to so many of us, that should we find ourselves in similar situations where we are ridiculed and put down and dismissed and whatever, that we too will have the courage to do the right thing like he did. Big him up for me, man. All right?
I will. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
man. Bless up yourself. and thank you for do your look customer service thing. I will juggle, I will come in and thing. All right. Blessing. Wonderful. You bless up your show in our night, man. You give us some nice little spiritual food and thing like that. Blessings, man. All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Man,
Bless
cool.
up, brother.
Yeah,
and
man.
the person asking, yes, he did get a child of his own with my mom.
Yes, yeah, you did say that. Your last brother is with him.
The last brother is his,
man. All right, then. Bless up yourself here.
All right, thank you.
And by the way, you're a wonderful customer service representative. I love the professionalism and all that stuff. You're doing your thing. Go on, girl. Black girl magic. All right, then. Cool. Yeah, man. Lovely. What a beautiful exchange that was just now, right? That's why you see people in this business and in the world take feedback, That is how you learn. That is how you can learn. But you have to have that confidence the way you know what you have to do. Because if you pay all of the energies, attention out there, you just live for people and then I spread yourself thin, trying to be everything for everybody, which means you are by definition fragmented and not centered in your set of values, where you know yourself and know what you want in a life and thing, right? And then with that comes stress, unhappiness, lack of focus. You don't know who you are. You try to be everything, whether it's this and that. You end up blame people and gaslight them and whatever. Where you don't know, say, you don't know yourself. Because you try to be everything for everybody. So when me I run the show right now and thing or whatever, me have to know when, I'm not going to get you right all the time. Right? I'm not going to get you right all the time because I can't control who come in. But at some point, it's not by accident that I show them. There's some subtle things going on when I'm doing my show, right? Some obvious people watch me out for a long time or listen a long time. I'm always amused when I say, no, but just anytime you do so and so, me know that you know. Yes, so some people get the little things them when I do. But like a beautiful call like this now, you can't have somebody that come with some negative thing because they have some issues or they have some sort of superficial priority that they want to be acknowledged at the given moment. You have to know yourself, man. When people come and try to define you and tell you what you have to do. And you know, I got to pay attention to them all the time or whatever. You ignore some of them. Don't fight every battle where people present to you. You don't need to. But sometimes a lion have to kind of remind people say them a lion, you know. You have to know yourself, man. Because you're going to come with distraction. Distractions are going to come at you. When you're in a relationship, when you're there at work or whatever, you have to know who you are and what you want and where you go. Because if you don't know that, you don't know where you go, you know, somebody will tell you where you have to go. Anyhow, you don't know where you want to go in life, somebody's going to tell you where to go. And 100% of the time, most of the time, when people are telling you where you have to go, it's for their interest, not yours. Unless your mother or, you know, your father or whatever who sacrifice for you and what's best for you and whatever. But 99% of the time when some people are tell you something, is either for them interest or it's some bias from their experiences. Is either them can't keep a man, so them not care how your relationship good, them not see it. Them are going to tell you this and that. And you have to know what you do. You have to say, no, you know, so she's a good friend or whatever, but you know, she have little issues over here or whatever. So I make sure I'm not talk to her about my relationship with my man, with my man, which you there with her, your husband or whatever. Because be a negativity me I get from her. And the only reason why I still talk to her is because she's a good person. But she don't understand herself. This with her little insecurities and her fears and whatever that she project on me and whatever. So you have to manage, you have to know what you do. It's a beautiful call we just have right now, and they have some people that talk about this and that and way. So me I juggle my thing, me have to know where me I do. I know where me I go. A long time me I do this. And by the way, people, when I hear me while up somebody in the chat or whatever, unless it's something to do with child abuse or SA, sexual assault, it's never that serious for me, okay? Right? It's serious, you know, but it's never that serious. So when you hear me, what she didn't name Tommy, it's not personal. I love her seeing me, right? People know some stand or whatever. I load up my mouth, I go on, I talk my mind and thing, but people beat me too. You know, people set me straight to one thing when me wrong to a dial something there. So I just want to know that just happened and it's going to happen again. And when it happens, it's serious enough, but it's never that serious unless it have something to do with, you know, domestic abuse or something to do with children and things like that or whatever. Then it is that serious. When you're going on them something there, it is that serious. Outside of that, you make your point, you agree or you disagree, you cuss and you go on or whatever, and at my age too, when I'm used to Raga from back then, I be a cussing me used to go out when I whatever and take on the people. I'm not there anymore. Your people start warning me and whatever, and me say shut down quiet and walk away. Can't bother. It's all about maintaining the peace right now. All right, so I don't want to think say me eat a Tommy she name. I don't want to think me eat or me not like her, whatever. She make a little statement and thing. She probably not even that serious about it either. And thing like that. So Tommy just know you're still good. Right? You're still good in other books and thing and whatever. And you can banter me. You can banter me if you want to. You can beat me if you want. Okay? Fiona Fifi. I wonder, Fiona, am I Fiona Fifi? Canada? Are you? Hey Fiona? I want Fiona Fifi me rate, you know. And I'm gonna chat to you for years, you know. You don't know, so your ratings concrete. You see a man, boo. Big up yourself, you know. Let's know, so Raga rate you, know, because you was one of the realest one them from Foundation. And I know jail talk that. You're real long time, boo. Yeah, progressive and thing, I tell you, hard-working woman and sitting, you know. Man, forget her hand dirty. Family. And she's a family and thing and go out there and do so, you know. Yeah, man, they have some solid people out there, you know, some solid woman out there, you know. Hi, Kay. Why Canada represent tonight? Kay, big up yourself, man. See? Anyway, let's go. Jacket mix up or any other mix up wanna have. I know I'm not gonna vex tonight, you know, but I leave 10 o'clock. All right, I start minutes to 7. I made it late and whatever. Look, if I go down to my kids' school today, I'll kind of look at something. All right, but minutes to 7, I may have to leave 10 o'clock. No Kimberly, I'm not leaving 11, I'm leaving 10. I have some work to go do otherwise. Okay, let's go. So we have about half hour left. So I just want to know so that when I leave and I start up the thing, I love beat me. What's that? Fee!
Yeah.
Wanna go on, my friend?
I'm there. It's been so long, but you know,
You
it's all
see,
love from day one.
that's a word, man. Big up yourself, man. That's good for city, you know.
I tell you know I go.
Nah,
Watch it.
you're one of the
But I'm
realest
not
from a
gonna call
long
you.
time, you know, boo. You know, you're one of the realest for a long time, man. I'm want you know
Mixup
that me I
ya
tell you that
linky.
up front.
You know.
You see it, all right? Yeah. People not for wanna enjoy it. Just people like her, she right? Yes, so them say we want to support Ragan, you know, and you know, they show them from
That
back
is
in the
it.
day, you know?
All Canadians stand up.
Yeah, no. In terms of Canadian TamFamers, you know, and people like you build like another thing there, you know. Give thanks, man. See?
Yeah, I guess I want a little mixed up.
Rinse.
Mine similar to the young lady before.
Mm.
So Lord, it's so much that I can't even go all the way back.
Just
But
no,
anyway,
just go in that punchline part, them one thing. Yeah.
being small and everything, I remember living by now me know say my stepfather people there. Right?
Yeah.
Cause my mother did gamble for her business and live for her business life. She took some books and just drop off pitney.
Oh.
But me was one like a red pitney amongst all of the like a dark skinned people them.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, I got school pitney had trouble me and I said, oh yeah, I know your father, you know your father.
Yeah.
So anyway, one day you know, I don't remember who but one lady came go over the money yard. And she
Yeah.
said, this are your father. But like something in a me connect to the man.
Right
I
away.
mean, know in a that moment, say, I'm my father.
Seeing.
Anyway, I go back over there one next day because him did live close to the school. When I go, I see one lady. In my eyesight, them time there, it I said
Mm-hmm.
lady white. So anyway, the little lady say, who are you? My father, I say, my daughter. So me a ball for go with the woman, little and fool, and the woman smell good and she just pretty so.
Yeah.
Me a ball for go with the lady now, me find out say I'm an auntie. She said, all right, you see next time I come back, if you want to come with me, I go carry you. Now wait for the woman to come back, come here and tell us, say, my mother gone, I'm ready from yard to yard to yard to yard.
Wow.
So anyway, the lady come back and let us some books and carry me and I go with my father people them. Never see my mother and the people them. Me never even know them again.
Mm-hmm.
Me don't know nothing about them. Anyway, later on in my life now, books I got high school and got through. When past common entrance I got high school now, I can't find my birth paper, but my grandmother did have connection to the school.
Mm-hmm.
So like me getting in a primary school without papers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got RGD, we spend every day at Spanish Town, the time of the old RGD.
Mm-hmm.
Them ask me name, we give them my first name, my last name, based on what my granny knows my name.
Mm-hmm.
Then search a year before this year after.
Mm-hmm.
Know me. Know my granny, I forgot find my mother.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say, the name of me I got school and that the name did it.
Wait, another name they have?
No, so my actual father name Bailey, but them no know say another name they me have.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, when me don't know and graduate from primary school, you know, so I can't go in high school because the person will pass the high school, the papers, the birth certificate now go match. So they have to send me back one next year at primary school now next year, you know.
So how was it resolved?
Me have to go to high school now the following year in the new name. So when we go to high school, all of my friends them now will left me in a grade 6, now in a grade 7. So now me come to high school as a freshie. In a grade
Oh, with a
7, them
different
gone
name.
ahead.
With a different name.
So when the people them a call register, them a call different name and them a look for me and the people them confused. Then I owe me name Fiona Bailey in a primary school, but now me name Fiona Fisher in a high school.
Wow. Wow. Me I bung some other card before me leave, but me I say, you know what your story again reinforce and articulate that as much as you can, you know, people, because some people respectfully ladies, you know, so some I wanna think it's just no, I mean nothing, man. If you get a picnic to that man, yeah, or whatever, you know?
Yeah, they don't think of it
Yeah, no
as
for no
being
think, right? In
the
fact, uno
danger.
justify it for say, oh, this is better for the child. And very often it's better for uno.
I'm going to show you how, hold on,
No.
give me a minute. I'm going to show you how seriously be. So I'm trying to do the deep hole
Yeah,
and change the name.
yeah,
I have one youth at Jamaica and the rest of them are Canada, see?
yeah.
And when we got all the way to the end, the lady said to me, "Are you sure you want to do this? Because you have to go public, what the hospital, Jubilee?
Mm-hmm.
You forgot Jubilee, you got to change the data birth certificate, you know. Because your maiden name is what's important on your children's birth certificate.
Mm-hmm.
So now you don't identify as her mother. I may have to come to Canada, come change all the birth certificate. Yeah,
One
let
whole
me
heap
know,
of
man.
problem because and as a lawyer now I can tell you I've seen many instances where it's not what you say.
Mm-hmm.
It's not what you said. The law goes by what is in the record.
That is it.
So I don't do family
when
law,
they
but I'm
ask my
telling you,
kids
I've
like what's
seen
your
many
mother's
situations
maiden
like that.
name,
Yeah.
when they ask the maiden name,
Mm-hmm.
it wouldn't connect. So I had to leave it or I have to go back to the hospitals to change it.
They will literally tell you, listen, I'm not saying you're not the mother. I'm saying the document says you're not the mother.
Yeah.
And certain little thing in estate law, like, you know, when somebody drop out and thing and then picnic forget this, you're frightened for how much picnic can get so and so. And I said, no,
Yeah,
you're
man.
not who so and so and so.
Well, my actual father dropped out and me not end up getting nothing because me not have the name. And I mean, fight it and bury him and do everything and
Look at that. You know, so when I tell you no for doing them, I say these based on what she just explained and
Ladies, be
whatever, there
careful
can
of the
be
little.
some significant ramifications
Yeah,
down the
yeah,
line.
yeah.
Anyway, my friend, big up yourself, you know, love and
Big up
blessings here.
you, big up
Yeah,
the
man.
show. I don't know how me just know say you come over TikTok and me live over here, but I'll be here.
There, man. Mondays to Thursdays, my day evening time, yeah? All right, no say a word, man.
Big up on yourself. Long time, no soon, no.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
But you don't
TamFam
know.
from Foundation, them for no, don't. All right, bless up,
Aye.
man. Cool. Yeah, man. Fiona, a long time TamFam, man. Soldier and I thing. And just real, you know? Real woman and thing. All right, jacket mix up or any other mix up one and thing. I could see if we get some call and thing. Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night to you too. Whole a good night under your structure.
First time on your program.
Bless up yourself, man. What go down? Talk to me.
Yeah, man, me have a mix up for you.
Send on.
All right.
Yeah.
We have this cousin. Me not gonna call no name though.
Yeah, we don't really do names anyway. Yeah, so
Okay. Me have this cousin, man, and you know she are one of them girls. They were. You know she are one of them girls. They were. You know she a Bona girl. You know, but she's a nurse.
Okay.
So she like. No, she's not my cousin. My cousin is with her.
Okay, your cousin there with her. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes. So my cousin get, and back in the 80s, man, and my cousin get to go to America.
Mm-hmm.
And then she and my cousin have some children.
Mm-hmm.
So they have 3 children.
Mm-hmm.
So he come on, you know, my cousin go and come. So, you know, he come on to the time when my cousins sponsor the children them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and when my cousins sponsor the children them and then go over, it was not those time when they take
The
DNA
DNA,
yet.
right.
Mm-hmm. So, but after a while now, my cousin take the children them and then the mother go over there separately because they were separate.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So the mother now have the children them while she go over there. So my auntie now always a suspect say something not right with two of the children.
Mm-hmm.
So one day the mother send them go spend holiday with, remember you know the man take them over there. But after the woman follow after,
Mm-hmm.
and then the children them end up living with her. But not with the father because the father were married otherwise.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So the people them now go spend holiday with the so-called father. And then the mother now for the guy run a DNA test on the 3 pitney them.
Yeah.
Raga, let me tell you something. It was a heart-wrenching situation because out of the 3 pitney, only one of the pitney end up to be my cousin one.
Mm-mm.
Anyway, the mother start get brinkled and said they should, you know, do that.
Do the test.
But Raga, yes, but Raga, guess what? Guess what? Who for the other 2 pitney?
Who?
The other brother.
The Jesus peace.
So
the brother for the cousin.
Yes, my cousin brother.
So so she
the
take it.
The uncle for the pitney them are them father.
Jesus of mercy. So she did it, and obviously she a grind the 2 of them.
Hold on.
Yeah.
All the time when we think say boy I support him, and be a big uncle and so forth, we don't know say I the pitney them father.
So the whole time when you said the uncle did, what did the uncle did I do and say my support? What him did I do?
Him always go supermarket. Him was a super uncle man. Him do everything with him brother. I guess him do everything with him brother never did I do.
No. Him do everything when brother did I do too.
Yes. I say we ain't no brother. We ain't no Raga.
Yeah.
He don't done yet, Raga.
I lie.
So he come to the nitty-gritty now. The mother now call a family meeting.
Yes.
Because obviously I 2 son them end up in the same at pot.
Fear 2 son them, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So Raga, the man where is supposed to be the 3 father, the pitney real father.
Mm-hmm.
Him decides say, me no care what you want to do. And me support them from birth. I mean, let you not get none.
Wow.
Araga, the 2 brother never talk again. But the big brother decides say, him not giving up none of the children then. Until this day.
Cause him say him raise them so I feel him pitney them.
Yes, him say, look here. As a matter of fact, me no lose, cause I still me needs them.
Who you mean? The one who say The father, the other
The
two.
one we get the jacket. The
Him
one
say
we
him,
get the jacket.
yeah. The one.
Say he nah give them up. Him.
Oh.
Them my niece.
I'm niece them anyways.
Him
still nah give them up because them still have some relation to him. Tell me something with something like that now. Like obviously the mother and the brother, the two of them did do something foul, right? But in a position like that, you know, not that it matters, but I'm just curious. Who you think worse? The mother or the brother? Are the two of them?
The two of them.
You know,
the two of them are deceptive. The two of them
deceptive. No. The two of them deceptive. But you think them equally deceptive or you think one worse?
No. I think for a nurse, me think a girl do a low blow.
Because what I'm saying, you know, for the two of them, for the two of the pitney them, be for the brother, who's the uncle. Well, the assumed the previously. No. What I mean is, yeah, you know what I mean. Like, no, what I say, we can't call him uncle, no, my father. So I chose the wrong word there. So what I say is, for two of them, you know, that means that them do it for a while, you know. I don't know, look at one mistake or not now, whatever, you know.
Yeah, because when the bigger brother come down, he will just come down for one 2 week or 1 3 week and gone up back. So every time he come down for a time, then he hears say she pregnant. She call him and tell say she pregnant. You know the little time you come down here, you shot me again. So him feel say my shot her.
Oh, time feel say when him roll through and breed something, drive-by breeding, push out the neighbor. So I must say, John, no, you know, me only want to go down there and put 2 panera and she breed, you know, some things set, you know. And that time him not know sign brother down, when him come up a foreign and brother down there, bless her, she take your brother.
And then when he have the pitney them know, the pitney them favor the brother, but you know, see a family, so you go say, yes, man,
of course, they're not two brother. Two brother. Why you understand? So them are going to favor, you know, because them done a 2 brother. Yeah,
so, Raga, me tell you, say it's a serious situation. And I know the 2 brother them no reconcile. And guess what, Raga? The next brother end up not have no pitney, you know? You know, get none, I know.
Wow. And then the two will get no. Well, my God, go say something about it. That sound too harsh. Something. And the two will get out. I see him.
I mean, the brother tell him say, if he can when one time he threatened saying go carry brother a court, and the brother tell him say, and you ain't carrying a court, you have to pay back every cent whatever spent on them.
Oh, the one where the brother where the the uncle father.
Bonaman.
Yeah, the uncle father, the Bonaman and thing. When him say one carry him go a court for getting pitting them, the other one say, you carry them go a court. From me tell you say you nah get them. Cause I me raise them. And if you go a court, you have to go pay me back every cent where you
They say every cent from their belly till no. Every cent.
But me no want say nothing and thing or whatever, but again, family law is jurisdictionally based. Well, all law is jurisdictionally based.
What opinion? Somebody they ask who are the one of the pitney? One of the pitney for the man.
Who not pay attention. But what I say is, I'm about to say, let me be careful. But you see what him say would have sue him back for get all that money.
Mm-hmm.
Under the law, there's a thing called standing. And he wouldn't have a claim to that. Unfortunately.
The real father?
No, you know, when him say that sue him for get back all of the money when him do whatever, him really wouldn't have a claim to that. Strangely enough, she, the mother, could have sued the uncle, well, the father, for the 2. She could have sued him for say, no, you have back child support. But
wow,
the husband which him have couldn't sue him for him pay money.
Oh, they married Raga. They married.
No. We're not talking about marriage. We just talking about how the law work.
Oh yes, and that look funny.
You understand me? I say him couldn't get back money from him brother For say him a mind him brother picnic all this time. Him couldn't get back money. But the woman could have sued him brother and get money from him, back money for the two picnic them.
Okay, when
Under
the other
the
brother
law.
did a mine.
What the other brother did a mine, but the other brother him can't get back fee money, but the woman she could have get more money, back money for the picnic them.
Well, I just hope none of the brother them now listen tonight.
That's right now. That's what I say. That's what I say, yeah, because sometimes the law is, the law is a little bit weird on this thing. And again, people, I said it's a qualified voice. I know immigration law. I am not an expert on family law. This falls under family law, and under family law, you have custody law and thing. And again, this is in the United States, it's based on each state's laws. And in Jamaica, have them own a law. So it would have to be, which jurisdiction, the laws from which jurisdiction will uphold, and they can be different, So I'm just saying in general, that is what goes on. The mother can always, one parent can always sue the other parent, for back money and thing. But in a case where it sounds unfair, but in a case
when
where...
it was Jamaican Raga, when them hear about courthouse and them sit there, then go back way.
Yeah, and I don't know how it works in Jamaica anyway. So in Jamaica have them own set of law.
Well, that's a family could mix up.
Nah, man, it's a good one, man. It's a good one. Big up yourself, All right?
All right.
Blessings, man. Love and blessings, man. All right. Why, it's sure nice tonight, See my boat for leave here in a few or whatever. And I notice a lady start talk a while ago and somehow don't know enough cell phone run out again, When she slow, she talk. I want to see the mix-up turn out nice. Nice on the tune, Yes, man. All right, to the love jump the gun. Okay, all right, here we go. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Someone for patient, man. I want to know someone to survive in a relationship and not so impatient. I want to go on. Survive in a relationship. Hello? 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 All right, we're not gears. Lego men's. Time ago. Hello? Yeah. Yeah. Hello?
Hearing you now.
Yeah, man, what going on? Yeah.
Not much.
Talk to me.
The same jacket mix or something there.
Yeah.
Me not answer nothing because me a potential jacket.
Potential?
Potential.
Why
yeah.
you say potential?
Family talk, rumors there. And things. But I'm not for me one. Yes, it's true because me no circle for me matters yet.
Yeah.
And it me a talk about.
All right then, cool.
Me get one ancestry DNA kit nearly 3 years now.
Mm-hmm.
And I just through me no want stir the pot, me no do it.
Okay, all right then. All right, so you're not talking about your one, but which one you talking about?
Me I talk about one, cousin one.
Yeah, I could hear that one.
And the cousin, father for me cousin too. And that's the giving dad.
Right.
And a man never treat me cousin good, Never treat me cousin good. That are the giving dad.
Mm-hmm.
And over the years, we have this one family member. Whenever the family member comes from foreign, the giving dad are the nicest thing to me cousin.
Mm-hmm.
Never can understand it. Treat the cousin good and love the cousin good. But the two are two brother them and they not deal. But when it come...
No, hold on. Who you say not treat your cousin good?
The giving father.
Right. And who you say treat the cousin good?
The father. When the father, brother come from America. Anytime the father, brother come from America, father attitude towards the child change.
No, so now when you say father brother, you mean the given dad brother?
Yeah.
Okay, go on, mm-hmm.
And we always wonder what going, but you know, see a pitney and we don't really know what going.
Mm-hmm.
So here comes the teenage days come along and story bust out.
Mm-hmm.
The giving dad and not the dad. And the brother America, the father. The giving dad no. The mother no. The brother America no know.
So the brother America no know say him and the father?
No. He no know. Until when we're up in our teenage days, and mother and father they fight. And he giving dad cuss him and tell him there something there. And we are look pan you know me and the cousin and say, look how much years the man there, they treat me, ill treat me and there something there. And anytime my father, real father come from America and they treat me like a princess and there something there.
Yeah.
I want different type of evil, you know.
One different type of evil.
Yeah. From both the mother side. Well, me not go say from the mother side because Tanya Stephen Wayne said the man who think his father is a much better man. But the man know, see I'm brother Pitney. But because I animosity between him and him brother, give your brother, make your brother have what is him. Even when it come down to land where they get dead left, it take what they want a brother America someday. Land, what him forget. So he not take what the brother will forget.
Well, you see, obviously, you know, there is a backstory there where I'm not even sure you know the backstory.
We don't.
Yeah.
Because them the generation of people, they not talk things, you know.
Or they hold down something. But no man, something go on in terms of who sort out with who and who first did that with who and then who go grind off, who go this and that, or who for body bigger, who have more money, or who did do this and that for mommy and daddy. You always have some backstory to them, something there.
Me would surprise if the given father take what the one we got in America, woman. Right there, so they go so. Are you right? We call him, you know. We and the cousin them. Cause everything in brother I feel what.
Well, no, but you're referring to an old school. You have to explain to the listener why Uriah, you know? Why Uriah?
Because in the book of
Bible.
Psalms, Bible.
Yeah.
One of David's wife was Uriah's wife.
Right.
And David sent Uriah to the front and the back.
Thing got dead, so he could have get him wife. Okay, so which one you call Uriah now?
But because
no, which one you call Uriah? The given father?
The given father. Not the given father, the one with the America.
But you say an interesting thing just now. You say it looked like the given father take away the woman from the one with the America.
Yeah.
You don't, and you don't think it's the other way around?
No.
Also,
I don't get that feeling then.
No, but based on what you have said then, that would mean then that the one with the America did there with her before the given father.
Yeah.
So it looked like the given, if we just follow with just what you were saying, one possible explanation, it would have means, you know, him running by him brother woman and going to take her away, you know, but then end up get a jacket.
And get a jacket.
Why? Listen to me. Jano.
So, you know, so we used to stay with grandparents.
Yeah.
And when me used to follow my cousin at Saturday evening time, go for lunch money from him.
Yeah.
And they not give my cousin no money, you know. Always I tell her, keep the faith, keep the faith, keep the faith. keep the faith, keep the faith.
Keep the faith.
Yes.
No, but
when he knew that there was a father out there where could have taken pitney and mind the pitney.
No, but what I'm saying is him staying at the role, him obviously don't want to take care of the child, but whatever bitterness and resentment he's experiencing, him feel justified in staying at the role and make the pitney suffer.
And make the pitney suffer?
It was not her fault. It wasn't your cousin's fault.
Not at all.
But very often these people don't have the maturity to think like that and say, you know, so I don't like so and so, I don't like whatever, boom, bam, bam, or so and so violate. But it's not the picnic fault. So make you know what? Boom, make me go, you know, other part I don't like with people. They make the picnic end up suffer because of that. Because it sounds to me that he might live in a misery the whole time, but he won't stay there in the misery just for think he must spite somebody else.
He must fight somebody else.
Yeah, and that is foolishness.
Him always have the cut off your nose and spite your face attitude all the time.
Yeah, and people do them something that is just really stupid, you know. All right, big up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
All right, here we go on. Oh, somebody said tickets. The tickets are available at Eventbrite. Let me put a link in here for those. This is the Ragabash tickets, okay? Well, first of all, as usual, okay, that's the link right there. I don't think you're supposed to do that over here, you know. I don't think you're supposed to do that over here. TikTok, now you do them something this, so I don't know. Jay said, over here, nice, bad. All right, but in the meantime, that is a link to the tickets, right? And I go in tiny turtle it and make it a smaller link, but tonight you can link it, click that same way. So the tickets are available at Eventbrite. And you know, Eventbrite charge a little percentage on the ticket them for them money. Raga, can you pay for my ticket? Now the key listening start. And I look on, you know. Right. Yeah, I think I'm going to put the link in my bio. Yeah, because I don't think TikTok like them something there. But people, TikTok. About, I would say 20-something years ago, I have a friend named Gibby. He's a producer, musician, live a cash up. I keep it 100 with him, I make you know what is what. So sometimes I want to hear some things, I want to just get in and you know, a woman make one post for me, and she said, I think over YouTube should do it though, you know. What she said what? What she did say what? Like, she had diss me, you know, and she said, you're inside, you know, you need to take off that hat. Why you wearing a hat and whatever and thing, and I beat me, you know. And I'm just like, and I'm like, you have some people out there, one, they don't think, they don't reason. Two, even if them come up with something that is fairly unreasonable, them don't know how to say it diplomatically or say it with respect, you know? I mean, so the first part, they don't think. This is social media, right? So people do live anyway. Mr. People do live. It's a poor she. If you see how some people do live over here and whatever, she wouldn't understand and all them things there, right? But you have these people that come on social media and they bring their day-to-day etiquette that they want to impose it on you, right? So I want to know old school, you know? You don't wear a hat inside your house and all them something there, whatever. So you must know where she come from, you know, because that is just so yesterday. People don't pay them thing in their mind anymore, even in general, you know. Now, you know, if there's some studio place, people take off them hat when them going, but nobody don't pay them something in their mind anymore and thing or whatever, you know. That's like saying, what she has said is like saying, why are you wearing your jeans and you don't iron it? You know, and that's where she come from. Because no one probably don't know, you know. But back in the day, first of all, jeans never wear. Everything got dressmaker or tailor Jamaica. Everything. Ready-made clothes was only rich people. You see clothes on the buy a store, make people in my age group tell you. You see clothes on the buy a store, back in the day, even all them little clothes that were selling a bend down market and all them some of them, those were rich people clothes back in the day. That sold at stores like Lee's Fifth Avenue, Pan Tropical Plaza and all them place there, whatever. what is revered now and celebrated as custom made or haute couture and all these names and whatever, those were poor people clothes. Poor people clothes, make a dressmaker and tailor. Any community you go in Jamaica back in the day, you have woolly dressmaker and tailor. And poor people make all of them clothes. All of them clothes a tailor or dressmaker make them. Ready-made clothes was rich people clothes. Then when jeans start wear, the transition was such that poor people start wear the jeans them, the same way them did wear the clothes when they make a tailor. So the jeans them did iron. Yeah, back in the day, you have to iron your jeans with seam in it, right? So I said, those are the sensibilities then. So when this woman come here and wanna beat me, but why you wear out on your inside and whatever, this and that, I'm saying, you know, so I go allow that woman here to do. So I say, yeah, if you don't like it and whatever. But just the thought that you're on social media, somebody I do them live, I feed them live, you know, and you know something inside, and you go tell me, say, don't wear it a bother you. That there are people out there, you know, when them look at pet peeves and whatever and things like that, which is understandable. But just this whole notion that you feel liberated and entitled to tell somebody what to do and anything and whatever, it means that them don't get it what social media is. Them don't really understand it. Or, mark you, there are things on social media I don't, you know, I prefer not to watch those things. But what me do, if me not like it, I just don't go there. And I leave people alone. Me not gonna go trace every people them and tell them, so I can't believe you in your house and you're weird. That is just so dumb to me. And you go up on somebody's wall and you have a problem with them a post and all them someday and whatever. If you know, if them post purple and them love purple and thing. Oh, that ugly, I can't believe you post it. Like, leave them. You know, like it, you know. Some people them just them not get it. But them out there, you know, you can't, you know, make them you can't make them get to you or whatever. I find them more amusing than anything else. So 20 odd years ago, I did write poetry, but it was more like Jamaican style type of thing. You know, I don't know my sensibilities. I have a much degrees and whatever, but I still feel comfortable. I like to be at ease. And when I'm at ease, is me talk or me talk. It's easier for me to talk patois than it is to talk standard English. It's way easier for me to talk patois than it is to talk standard English. I don't make no mistake when I talk patois. I still make mistake when I talk standard English because standard English is not my first language. But we live in a society where, for example, somebody like me who have my degrees and whatever and all that stuff, the old school people, I can't believe him this and that, him have Ph.D, him have law degree and still a go on. So I've been getting them all my career, so I'm used to them and things like that. I'm saying all this to say that we're going to play some music, right? Some music when we make 20 odd years ago. They don't sound nothing like music today. And me make them. No, well, Gibby make them. Gibby make them for me, but me write the lyrics and me, whatever. I'm going to be honest with you. It was about 15 songs and they were all done in 2 days. Just how quickly they were done, just give you an idea that if, you know, the quality is not and that. So keep that in mind. And then also keep in mind that it was meant to be like poetry. So I'm going to play one where is like I'll play a couple of them for you right now. Who are listening a long time know them. I know many of you TikTokers, you don't know them though. So I'm going to share some of them with you. But so the first one I know is again, you know, think folk. Don't think Vibes Cartel and Massacre and Beanie Man or something there. You have to think folk. Just think folk song, all right? And think other genre they may come from. Me a old man and thing and our style of thing that. and whatever. Right. So that one, yeah. Well,
Tambourine, Ragashanti, talk up some city, I know. Men. Now say nigga sleep with evil, them a kiss up with the devil and a drain the blood that get to people. We get to them a feel and every day we weep and we'll only get to people in our jail. Claim to say them bright and only them a juggle right, so them no want to see we truth in a the life. Bleed we feed them, dream feed them alone, go king and queen, and them want me stop shape me tambourine, but me nah stop shape me tambourine. No, me nah stop shape me tambourine.
oh, when them try to take we life, we will trick them, we will fight, and me nah stop shape me tambourine.
Them two man there when no like me, and them friend them way a fight me, make them pledge them a go destroy me. Them a fight me cause them know what me say big up the ghetto, and me nah go make them give me any blue.
No blow to my thing.
Still I grow me tree, big up me mama, mystery, no make me let me God make me get degrees. But though accomplishments them cute and house and car and pretty boot, me still a celebrate.
Get over the road, and me nah stop.
Shake me tambourine. No, me nah stop. Shake me tambourine. Oh, when them try to take we life, we will treat them, we will.
You know, somebody say, yo, this are dead yard vibes. Of course, fork.
Darkness know them sin I use we fat fry them dumpling, but them feel know we done with them the same thing. Get to fight for party win election done, and then them sin cause money run,
And get the people get nothing.
so we want the all of them know
We want to star, we wanna show.
we not go make
Them take we fin up papi show.
flush them with them lies, cause get to big up to the sky.
We are elephant and them a gingy fly.
And me nah stop shake
Me
tambourine. No, me nah stop shake me tambourine. Oh, when them try to take we life,
We will trick them, we will fight. I mean, yo, when we didn't make them man people, man, keep it 100. We didn't, you know, weed a bun in them and juice. Be able to say, me not smoke weed the whole weekend. And man, tell you, give it big up yourself. Cash a park, large up, you know. Next tune, watch you know. Send on.
me swear.
Want to listen this good.
Me swear.
Listen this.
Me swear, as dear as I got me, we buy my woman tampon and pants. But me out, I don't care. If she sick me, we all wash her underwear. One thing we get me perplex, and it's a matter when me no make no woman vex. Contradiction in a demand them flex. When it come to panty and sex, we some man touch a panty a crime. Now take clean panty off a line. But them no want no problem, I drug off the same panty when it's wet up on a dagger in time. But me swear, as dear as I got me, we buy my woman tampon and pants.
Burn me out, I don't care. Me,
She sick,
me we all wash her underwear.
man a gangster, no afraid and no pain. Beat no boy on the lane. But if you road a look good joke, touch him with a clean pot. Gangster run faster than you seen.
It no make sense, me no understand.
Man a war with gunshot and bomb. But if him woman asks him to pick up feminine things, suddenly him afraid of tampon. But me swear, as dear as I got
Me we buy my woman tampon and pants. Burn me out, I don't care. If she sick, me we all wash her underwear.
Panty can't bite, tampon can't spite. Panty never yet
Come to have me light.
Tampon are not done in a extortion. Tampon never yet try thief me woman. Never. Tampon never give me stress. Never overtax me, make me vex. So before me afraid of a tampon or a panty, me rather afraid of GPS. But me swear, as dear as I got me, we buy my woman tampon and pants. Burn me out, I don't care if she sick me, we all wash her.
Here you know.
So you're my man, modern times now. Ragashanti keep it real, me nah send no girl. You touch a clean pad, I wash your woman panty. You are still real man, you know bow. But don't get it twisted, ladies no cost me. I wash panty regular, could never be a must. The only way me woman coulda get me wash her panty, she have to sick and a drop down first. But me swear, as days and time.
All right. Okay. Last one. Now, this one is generally a favorite with the TamFam as they've seen. I want to go and hear why. But I want to have to listen to the lyrics, you know? I remember this make 20 odd years ago. All right? Senan.
Me a the slamming king in the country. And up gal ball out and me agony.
Boy, you see them, me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, let the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty.
Slamming king in the country.
Wally pa gal.
Squeal out and me agony.
Boy, you see them, me get a walk from Punsi. Lord, I'm a say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. Whenever me woman them get me big rent, I am them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane. Make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them Islam machine in Punsi. Girl slam so good, Lord, me could manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no want no mercy. But Punsi make me ball, Lord Jesus help me.
Slamming king in the
Hola, 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 hola. Come again.
Me a the slamming king in the country. And up gal ball out and me agony.
Boy, you see them, me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, let the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty.
Slamming king in the country.
Wally pa.
Girl squeal out and me agony.
Boy, you see them, me get a
walk from Punsi. Lord, I'm a say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. Whenever me woman them get me big rent, I am them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane. Make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them Islam machine in Punsi. Y'all slam so good, Lord, me could no manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no want no mercy. But Punsi make me ball, Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in the country. I know y'all ball.
I have to listen to that one I write through, you know. They get pepper down the line. Meds.
The girl nearly kill me.
Follow the shanty.
Slamming king in the country.
Wally pa.
Girl squeal out and me agony.
Boy, you see them, me get a
walk from Punsi.
Lord, I'm a say
she nearly kill me. Punsi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. My body did weak, me couldn't keep up. And when me off and me puff, I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nuts, cause you no get nothing yet. You going giddy giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapid matic we make you sing enough tune. The bazooka backbreaker destroyer. And dog name your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in the country. I know y'all ball out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Kiss me, let the girl nearly kill me.
Follow the shanty.
Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out and me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punsi. Lord, I'm a say.
I want to listen now, you know.
Hear this, now when they make girl a they slam when me pour back a strain. Punsi say, Shanty, me want you scream out me name. Me say, girl, you coulda bright. Me nah go scream your name tonight and anything you come with. Me I put up a fight. Then she fling it, so I dash it, so I seal it for me. Hanging on my mind, me say, Lord, give me strength for manage it. And when she wheel it, so I took it and jam it like a sledgehammer. Me say, kiss me, mama, she a muscle lady song. When she wheel it and she flick it and it really sweet. Me go fi ball out her name, but me hold back it. But when she quint it and squeeze it, and my head start take me, she say, when me name me ball out. Punsi, 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 oh God, punsi, punsi, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. A million punsi, I will leave a punsi, I will leave a punsi. Oh God, oh punsi, punsi, no don't it, 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 no don't it. More than a punsi, aye. Take the car, the house of you, the house. Lord God, punsi, I love you, I love you. Wait.
On to the rock my night.
Slamming king in the country.
On to the rock my night.
Girl ball out and me a got it. Me get a walk from Punsi. pussy. Kiss me neck, the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country.
Wally pa.
Girl squeal out under me agony. Boy, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear this story.
I big up on yourself, you know, people. All right, do remember. And so the tickets are available over at eventbrite.com. You just put in Ragabash when you go over there, Ragabash and New York. Eventbrite usually ask you the state where you have to, right? So the tickets are available. They're, yes, I love their vibes. You know, no, we play some more with it. All right, then. Big up on yourself, people. Do take care. I'll be back tomorrow. All right. Y'all be good now. Everything is everything. Wanna know the levels? All right. Large up on yourself. Balance and thing. Yeah. No. This is just for fun on the show, you know? All right. Blessings.
Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from.
And I'll put the link for Eventbrite for the tickets. I'm gonna put it one more time in the chat. Which is probably kind of risky. Cause TikTok not really giant or something, you know. But I'm gonna put the link. In my bio over TikTok, all right? Right here over TikTok, see? But again, tickets are available at eventbrite.com. That is for Ragabash, right? Tickets are available at eventbrite.com. So you just go over there, you put in Ragabash and you put in New York, and it will come up. You can get them right there, all right? Blessings, cool.
Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear this story. Whenever me woman them get me big ring tie, I'm them ball out when me shift them internal organs. Me kill them with the loving, drive them insane, make them mash down the bed spring and ball out me name. Boy, you see them me slam machine in Punzi. Girl slam so good, Lord, me couldn't manage me. Is a boy when me a slam, me no one no mercy, but Punzi make me ball. Lord Jesus help me. Slamming king in the country. I know girl ball out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Punzi knew where to touch and how to touch and when to touch and why to touch. My body did weak, me couldn't keep up. And when me off and me puff, I run out of breath. She said, boy, tap your nice cause you no get nothing yet. You going giddy when you get the over the moon. The rapping matic we make you sing no tune. The bazooka back breaker destroyer. And dog yam your supper with the big John killer. Me a the slamming king in the country. I know y'all ball out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty, slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out under me agony. Oh, you see them me get a walk from Punzi. Lord, I'ma say she nearly kill me. Hear this. Now when I dey me girl a dey slam when me pour back a strain. Punzi say, Shanty, me want you scream out me name. Me say, girl, you coulda bright. Me nah go scream your name tonight and anything you come with. Me I put up a fight. Then she fling it so and dash it so and seal it for me. And in my mind, me say, Lord, give me strength for manage it. And then she wheel it so and tuck it and jam it like a sledgehammer. Me say, kiss me back with your muscle lady, sir. Then she wheel it and she flick it and it really sweet. Me make nothing ball out her name, but me hold back it. But when she point it and squeeze it and my head start take me, she say, when me name me ball out, Punzi, 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 Punzi. Oh God, Punzi, Punzi, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. A million Punzi, I will leave a Punzi, I will leave a Punzi. Oh God, oh Punzi, Punzi, no don't it, 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 no don't it. More than a Punzi, aye. Take the car, the house of you, the house. Lord God, Punzi, I love you, I love you. Wait. Slamming king in the country. Y'all ball out under me agony. See them me get a walk from Punzi. Kiss me the girl nearly kill me. Follow the shanty. Slamming king in the country. Only a girl squeal out under me agony. Oh, you see them.
So me say, except the Lord build the house, they that build it labor in vain. And except the Lord watch over the city, the watchman wake it but in vain. And our Vibes Cartel and we represent for Ragashanti. And we say, thank you, it's just another day. Oh, just another day. Thank you, Jah. Ragashanti, wake up this morning.
Stop it. Good night.